What is up, team? And good morning to everybody. Happy Friday. Go ahead and throw those A's in the chat if you can hear your boys speak. Throw those A's in the chat if you can hear your boys speak. What is up, my family? Good to see everybody today. We're about to pull up the screen right here, and we're taking a look at a potential play here. Of course, we still have Tesla that we were looking at last night, but there could be clear direction, clear skies, or actually it could be a router towards the ground if we do get a nice play to the downside from Netflix. It's currently getting a little bit of a bullish run. I want to point out the 5-minute time frame SMA 10 and the 5-minute time frame resistance on the SMA 14 of the RSI. It's both in the gravitational zone, so that could actually pressure things to the downside and then start something else to another direction. So hourly time frame just closed, and we're not getting the entire story here. For a full reversal, it's not there. It's not clear as day. Tesla hourly feels like it's going to get the resistance at 239.24 to about 239.42 as a focus, and then the top of the range would be 239.74. So there's something going on there. There's some news that just came out.
That's making us bullish.
Oh, damn. Okay, let's try to see if it's in the economic calendar. See if what we're doing today.
Something came down that just flipped it. Everything bullish.
I'm not.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah, I'm not really.
I'm just hearing news.
Okay. I'm not. I mean, this is Tesla coming up to its critical resistance right now. So they're. Oh my goodness, dude. Let me see Netflix. Netflix is it's what I don't like about Netflix is that it's in the middle of the LRC, and that's usually what is it, like a 4-hour or 8-hour indecision doji. There we go.
The SPY is still pumping.
The SPY is still going? Damn it, dude.
Yeah.
What the heck is really going on then? Let me see the SPY. We need to try to
PMI.
catch.
PMI came out right now.
Manufacturing.
Yep, and it was positive. So that's what's making us.
Okay. All right.
This is switching the
pushing price action, broader markets to the upside.
Up, yeah.
Technical discretionary resistance at 470.02 paired with the top side of the LRC hourly at 469.68. There may be a pullback to look at there. Sorry, team, I didn't have the Discord chat. SPY just printed a buy signal on the 5-minute. I wouldn't trust it just yet. We are at critical resistances. I know my algo is going to tell you that at this point. Oh, I have actually a print on the 5-minute from way back here at just about 6 a.m. Damn, it caught it. It caught it nicely, actually. But yeah, the resistance is here on the hourly from the LRC and the discretionary resistance that we have. Those two are critical here, and I'm not sure that we have enough juice to continue beyond 470, but prior day high may be the goal here. Maybe. Prior day high would be at 470.97, so that means that we may still have a broader market pump. And then, let's see. Cryptic, look at this. The resistance, I think we could be facing on Tesla could be 244.30, maybe 244.30.
Yeah.
If it runs, if it could.
Okay.
Yeah, totally plan B right now, Daniel.
Yeah, okay, so we're looking at PMI 50.6 versus 52 is estimated, which is lower, which is good. That turned the market bullish. That's what happened.
Say it again, I'm sorry?
PMI was 2 points lower than expected.
Wow, it's a 2-point beat.
Yep.
Okay, that's flipping the market. That's flipping the market. Dude, Steve? Are you crazy, man? Are you really in that stock? Bro, no.
What? What?
I hope I hope that a 127. Okay, you are
Oh my
at.
God.
I know this is so dangerous, brother. This is very dangerous. You are at a critical resistance here. Your resistance is 147. Technically, it's actually the high on this candle. That's actually 145.50 as a resistance. It's starting to pull back from there, but your resistances would be 147.29 technically speaking to 159.04. And you are at the opposing side of gravitation here, so that means that I can't. It's actually right in the middle. You may start getting a pullback here. You might still continue to the upside. If you, brother, you are $25 in the money. I
Out.
yeah, bro, 127. That's a lot. You're way up.
That thing's not gonna squeeze.
I don't think this is. Yeah, dude. I don't really trust this play for
Especially
any
now
of
because
that.
all retail, especially now that all retail is in on it. This is zero
They're gonna
percent
get.
chance
It's
of
gonna get
squeeze.
messed around with.
Yeah, it's gonna get destroyed.
Be very careful with this, Steve. I really want you to be super careful. SPY is resisting from our discretionary 470.02. It already came up to 470.09, and like I said, I don't know if it wants the prior day high, but it may. We could actually I mean, prior day high 470.96. There could be something there, dude, and that would be. Let me. Yeah, it's coming up to it. It's coming up to it. Daily time
What are we looking
frame.
for? Tesla now? Is that what
Oh
you're looking
yeah,
for?
for
240?
Tesla, we're the resistance 239.24 to 239.74. We already hit the regression band at the top perfectly at 239.40.
I got a regression, but at 240.
But the
Just
thing is
FYI.
that the SMA
Case.
20 now and the SMA 10 and the SMA 5 are below us with other prices there too. So we would really need the SPY to dump as well.
That's not.
And it may actually find support here. The SPY 470.02. It just converted that. And also the SPY is what is it here? Hold on. 387 daily average true range. It opened up at 467.50. Let me see, 467.49. So that's it. Just kind of completed. It kind of just maxed out its average true range right around 470.28. It could technically still push to that 470.96 at the at the 1 spot 618. Holy crap! Prior day high was perfectly to the 4. No way, was it? 470.96 is literally the 1 spot 618, and that was the high from yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. Holy crap! That was geometrically perfect. You gonna leave some runners in there, brother? Zen is thinking that there could be a bust through prior day high. It's feeling a bunch of pressure. Let's see how Meta's feeling. Meta is at that same resistance that we spoke of at your take profit, Cryptic, the 351. So let me adjust. Actually, it just poked right above the prior bar high. Guys, I still just so everyone is clear, I don't have any clear entry or direction yet from I personally. I don't have anything just yet in the potentials here. Let me see Netflix. Netflix is starting to break down. Eyeballs on the eyeballs in the 5-minute candle here. We just started the first candle to close below the SMA, the EMA 200, but it opened above it, right? So now we need another candle to validate this, the crossover, the break beneath the EMA 200. So a closure of another candle here would do it, and then another closure without any exposure, and then The break below prior bar low would introduce 473. And we shall see. So Netflix is looking like it could be the play again. Let me go ahead and load up the potentials here. Oh my God, I gotta configure again. I forget to save the desktop. Okay. All right. So, sorry about that, team. Oh, you know what? Okay, yeah, 3 minutes and 14 seconds, hovering above the EMA 200. And how is that feeding towards? Let me bring Netflix here to the front. And the SPY is resisting still. You know, it came up a little bit higher, even still, to the 470.39. Let me go back to the hourly time frame. Yeah, we're still resisting from this range here. And that also ties in to the LRC top band. There you go. Yeah, okay. But I mean, there's still a lot of time to close the hourly time frame, so that's okay. Let me see the 5-minute time frame. A little bit of pressure towards the downside, not convincing enough just yet. Wow, look at Netflix. Galvin, what is up, buddy? Good to see you here. It did. Netflix did go downward past the EMA 200, and it's just kind of hovering above that. Cryptic man me. And brother NXU. Wow, this is definitely a small cap pump. I don't see anything in news, but it's also EV. This is part of the EV sector. So $2. Let's take a look at this. $2 is actually the not yesterday's high, but the day before that. That's the high there. I'm sorry. No, it would be a 202. That resistance, if it does reach there, that could be it here. The 5-minute time frame is completely overextended. Our hourly time frame, yeah, closing inside and fulfilling its top. That's good. Let's see. Let me see. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna try to make my mind up on this. That's the 4-hour time frame. So let me see the hourly again. Upside pivot. Okay. Actually, this. Let me see the 5-minute now. I did say. Dare I look at the 3-minute? Let me see. Okay, gravitation at the 3-minute. That means that there could be some slight downside pressure. I really don't like these time frames, to be honest. Buy minute is actually finding resistance, but I'm trying to look at them because I'm not finding anything to give me the clear direction here, other than the fact that there's upside pivots on RSI, right? So, and also, let me see. Hourly time frame break of the SMA 50. Let's see the 4-hour. I want to see the resistance. Here it is. Very likely for you to find the resistance at that 204. I said 202 potential, but the SMA 20 on the 4-hour time frame, in conjunction with the not the prior day high, but the day before that at 202, that matches very well. And this downside here in price action may very well bring the SMA 20 on the 4-hour low enough for you to consider a completion of the move today. If it is going to make a continuation to the upside, it would be completely dependent on bull pressure. This is your support coming up right at about 186 to the lower end of about 184. And it looks like you may be ranging between 184 if it doesn't drop to the 177. So 184 to about 204 or 202. So keep an eye on that. Definitely keep an eye on that. Let me see here. Yeah, brother. But now, as far as this moving beyond the SMA 20, that's gonna be completely dependent on the bulls here, because this is a clear overextension. We're beyond the average true range on a daily. That this it's completed more than enough of a move to the upside. It's still on a day. It's still up 16.46%. That's what I got for you, my brother. So be very careful. Mario, no problem, buddy. All right, you guys. So Tesla is starting to break down its hourly time frame, SMA 20. Is this us getting the breakdown now? All right, yeah, we're starting to feel pressure towards the downside. Let's see, Meta potential tweezer top on an hourly, but we still got 40 minutes to go on that close. Let me see Netflix. All right, yeah, Netflix getting close to the inflection, team. So we want to break the pre-market low of it's pre-market low and prior day low. Okay, so it's a lot of support there at 473. So there's going to be a bounce right at that 473, and there could be a rejection right around 474.01. Okay, so we're coming right back down. I wouldn't FOMO into this position just yet. We need confirmation here. So 473 potential bounce from Netflix. But this would be 2 minutes to close this candle beneath the EMA 200. It's looking like we want to get our position ready. The conservative trader will look for an initial break of the 473 support bounce from potentially around 472.35 to come back up, and then look for the validation of resistance conversion at 473. So break of 473, retest of 473 to maybe I don't know if it can reach the gap closure of 474.38, but that would be the potential entry with confirmation. So 1 minute and 20 seconds left to close. 5 minute on the 5 minute candle beneath the EMA 200. That's looking like it can be the play now, team. So please remember that these guided plays, I'm not going to do in YouTube. I said at the beginning of next week. So this could be the last time that I'm live on YouTube during the trade and guiding the trade. So as I'm going to move everything privately to Discord. So go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and just include here the link for you to join the Discord. Okay, team. So here you go. It's in the chat now. Go ahead and click on that link and join up. Here's the break, right? Now, 5 minute closure, 30 seconds left to go. If the 5 minute closure closes beneath the pre-market low, that's a different story. Okay, because there could be a breakdown here. There could be an immediate breakdown. We're already at two major inflection points. Prior day low, actually pre-market low. Okay, let's see this, man. 7 seconds left. Careful, because sometimes the next opening of the 5 minute candle can still come up and validate the resistance one more time. It could technically still do that, but we do have a 5 minute gap right at about 474.15 to about 474.02. Okay, very, very wise here, team. Okay, you do not want to just execute out of nowhere here without any narrative, or else you'll get trapped. I'm eyeballing the potential of 474.03 on Netflix, but like I said, it still could run to the EMA 200. And my apologies, team. Prior day low is actually 474.60, and the break of the pre-market and the pre-market low is actually that 473. So here's one of the targets that I was looking for at 474.02. And then the next one would potentially be the space between 474.49 and the EMA 200 at 474.76. Still waiting. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, still waiting for. There we go. But we got to be very careful, right? It's already getting that 474.49 rejection. It may still want to touch the EMA 200. The aggressive trader will long its put or short at the touch and rejection of this. Conservative trader will wait for the close beneath the EMA 200. Be very careful how you proceed from here. Okay, this is getting into really choppy areas, and it looks like we're about to convert into a whole flip towards the downside, and we could be catching one of the tops of the potential bear play from this current time frame. That is okay. So I am prepping my puts. Okay, here's the EMA 200, right? That's the aggressive trader. The aggressive trader gets in right at that break, covers at any nearest support. It could be 474.16. It could be there right now, right? This is for the aggressive trader right there. The touch of the EMA 200 for a short, right? That's already there. There you go. It could be the 474.16 that it bounces back from, and then it comes back up and touch it. 2 minutes and 15 seconds left to close the 5-minute time frame. Careful, team. Careful. I'm preparing the potentials for me to bet against the market here. SPY getting rejection as well. It's still feeling like it may actually cross over to the downside. 5-minute time frame RSI is indicating that. Okay. Danielle, nice scalp. So that was that. Remember that was the aggressive trader, and that's a quick cover. Okay. Definitely, you want to make sure that you can just be in and out of that. So for the aggressive trader, right? So now the conservative trader is gonna potentially start looking for a for that position short or bet against the market here. So, we're getting very close to having that 5-minute confirmation. At the 5-minute confirmation, there may be a slight downside to 474.03, and then one more potential upside to 474. Eyeballs on this. It's about to be under a minute. Match got. You cannot close beneath 759 on a 5-minute. Also, potential support bottom hourly time frame SMA 20 at 738. Hold on though. Hold on. Okay, team. I'm getting. This is that pump to the upside that I'm talking about. Okay, right at the close. I'm not opening any exposure here. I want the closure beneath it. Right, and the opening to also be beneath it because it can still open above the EMA 200. 8 seconds left to go. The RSI is showing some potential resistance at a little bit of higher valuation here, so we got to watch out for that. Check that out. You see that candle opening above the EMA 200? There may be a resistance at the SMA 10 475.24. Careful. Susan, good morning to you. Hello. Okay, here it goes. Maybe SMA 10 resistance, like I said, 475.27 to a potential 475.33, and this invalidates both the downside play and the upside play because we have all of the moving averages here as resistance. This is going to be a chop. Okay, hold on. I still don't have any clear indication. What? Is it just you? Is it just your exchange that's not allowing it? What are you using? That's TD Ameritrade? Cryptic, you hear that? TD Ameritrade not allowing position entry of any kind on Netflix. There's a rejection there. Not sure if it's particular to her account. I know Cryptic already traded it one time.
It's her account.
It's just her account? Okay. Rejection off of the SMA 50 and the EMA 50. So both of the 50s here. Current rejection. And if we do get enough rejection, then this 5-minute candle may be the shooting star, right? If it closes right down here somewhere, to indicate the drop here below the EMA 200. We have to see. SMA 10 is currently acting as resistance now. Okay. Let me see, 2 minutes and 46 seconds left. Okay, so inflection point, ticker symbol POL, you don't want to break the 759 and also the 5-minute EMA 20, or else that will introduce a continuation to the downside here to 734. And that's going to be the 734 at the SMA 5 on an hourly, okay, or the EMA or the SMA 20 on the hourly. Right now, the hourly time frame is facing a critical resistance at that SMA 50. I personally would not long this until I have a break above the SMA 50 at 820. I know it's a long way to go, but you have two possibilities here. LRC close above 770 for a potential continuation to the upside, and then you'll get resistance again at around 820 to 820 something at the SMA 50 for a short range. But for you to really consider an upside, I would want to wait for price action to break above that SMA 50 and then close above the SMA 50 for confirmation to trade up to 903. And pay attention to your average true range on this, because this may not have that kind of juice. Maybe today it will, actually. It has a 186 average true range. So opening is $7. You're at 772. Yeah, it went beyond its average true range. Yeah, so I would, this one's it's touchy. I would be very careful. Alex, I hope you were able to hear that one. Okay, Netflix, let me see, SPY. What is it about to close? It's about to close a 30-minute candle. Nothing to do with nothing on a 30-minute. Okay. What I don't want to happen here, team, is that this thing just starts building some type of a little 5-minute bull flag and continues to the upside here, creating a whole trap, right? Okay, so remember yesterday's play of Tesla, okay? It's technically still in plan. These are our entries here. 239.24 to 239.74 with a second potential entry of 240.29 to 240.86, and we also said that it can run up to 240 to 246. Okay, so this is running the way we expected it to do it. Okay, so it's doing the way we said it. Okay, so the plan is still the plan. It's not going to be a 5-minute. It's not going to be a 1 minute or 5 minute ordeal here. It is going to take its time, because remember that this play is also based around. It's also based around an 11-point drop, and the 11-point drop is the start of what could be an overall 40-point drop. So yeah, we got to be super careful about this, but we did identify the upside first. A potential immediate short-term time frame support find, which did happen, and now we're moving to the upside, and now we're getting the validation of this. This, guys, we already talked about this. All right, so we are still in play. Meta, wow, yeah, dude, Meta, it just has balls to the upside, man. So it's rejecting now. So let's see the SPY. SPY also rejecting. 5-minute time frame inflection would be 469.16. to 468.60 would be the support. 469.16. So that's almost a point there. It's a very short range, even still. So yeah, the combination here in Tesla's resistance would be the discretionary range of 239.24 to 239.74, with the focus being the LRC midband at 239.45. I hope you guys remember that we spoke about this in last night's the pre-market prep. And okay, Alex, you heard it good. All right, so still no direction confirmation just yet, team. If this proceeds, then there could be if this proceeds, then the volatility that we're going to face is going to be in the last hour before lunch or after lunch. Have a great team. Got to head to work. Be safe. Thank you so much. Adios. Let's take a look at Netflix. Still sitting above the SMA 10 and the EMA 200. This is a chop area. Okay, we need to get out of this chop area in order for us to determine a continuation to the upside or downside. We just need to get out of it. Tesla is still within the initial entry range. Hourly time frame SMA 50 is located at 241.72. Wow. Okay. So yeah, so just please remember, team, we had the potential levels here to identify position short for a buy daily setup. Oh my goodness. Let me see. Wow. So if you look at the 12-hour time frame, expansion, right? So let's do this. 4-hour time frame. We already had that expansion move, which is bleeding on to the 6-hour time frame, where expansion should also show that upside and then the ebb and flow, right? So 8-hour time frame getting expansion, 12-hour expansion bleeding into the daily, which is now starting to come out of the critical zone with expansion, which then would break into the buy daily for our potential setup. Okay, we want to see the break of the 15% of volatility on a buy daily close, and the buy daily will close in 5 hours and 26 minutes. And we could be looking at a really strong move towards the downside come Monday. And I mean, there could be downside today already, naturally, right? But the primary signal being fired may not happen until Monday or Tuesday, and that is for a huge 14.70% drop, which can lead price action somewhere into the $200 range, from 240 to around 245 or something. So yeah, team, this is going to be something that could be a pretty epic drop. All right, you guys. So yeah, Tesla is preparing a potential huge capitulation. And last night, if you don't remember, I was saying that there could be weakness in the market, and Tesla may be the hint at this. And 1 a.m. my time, European trading hours, there was a huge dump on the ES and also on the SPY, right? So it just completely capitulated. Not sure if what we're doing here is just going to be eventually just another lower high before a continuation to the downside. But no confirmations just yet. We're still chopping around. I am not exposed to the markets at all, team. Meta is at the discretionary resistance of 352.27. Holy crap. A break, I mean, a break in 5-minute close above 352.27 would actually lead to a pretty nice little upside. Another 2-point move to the upside, actually. Ian, you practicing that patience, my brother? Yeah, man, I hear you. Let's see. getting a little overextended on the hourly time frame. Meta. Let's see, Netflix. Still chopping around here. Potential. Yeah, we already got that. We already got two candles to resist from the SMA 50 on the 5. Here's another potential. Guys, I don't see clear direction until we break above your SMA 20 or below your EMA 200. Getting out of this chop zone here would be highly ideal. Okay. Meta is moving above that resistance here. I can't really trust it. It feels already overextended there on the 5-minute. And it is at a critical resistance too, damn it. Oh god. So team, YouTube team, please, right now, actually, I've been streaming live since about 6:30 a.m. in the Discord, where I'm going to transfer everything to. Okay, you guys? I am transferring the guided plays into Discord, so please go ahead and consider clicking on the link below to join the Arca Bulls trading team, as that's where live executions, educational content, live streams, and live plays, guided plays will be held. And okay, so Meta, 22 minutes to close the hourly time frame. I'm not sure that I can combat that total resistance there. Let's see what Tesla is looking like against our targets. All right, here we go. There may be. I don't know if we're going to just resist here, right? So this is one of the tops of the range. But remember that we're also looking for the potential of 240.30 to 240.86, and there is also the potential of a run to beyond 240. So we have literally from 240 to 246 to look at. A bunch of targets. Powder Slave, you should have entered your initial play. Oh, you found the break. What's your resistance there on NVIDIA? 404. What I like is you identified it. Killed it, brother. Killed it. Awesome. I love the thread. Team, I'm gonna go ahead and mention this to you now. Check the targets out. You know, we've been talking about the SPY downside play. Yesterday we covered 2 of the targets, and I also said, here's the covering of it right here. And then I also said that we're likely going to head to the 464.73, and look at that. Price action reached 464.62 from the 464.73 discretionary bottom side and psychological take profit of the rising wedge. So that was a complete slam dunk play for the rising wedge on the SPY. Okay, so those targets were met with absolute accuracy. Good deal there. Netflix still hovering around, is showing a little bit of bear pressure here. Volume moving beneath the moving average. So this is going to be the first volume bar, actually the second volume bar to close beneath that moving average. Okay, we're starting to show some pressure here for Netflix. Let's see if we're going to get that downside soon. And let's see, Tesla. Okay, let me take a look at Netflix. Man, Netflix candle not even moving in between the SMA 10 or the EMA 200. It got a little stuck there, didn't it? All right, here's the break. 5-minute break below the EMA 200. This is what we needed. This does not confirm the downside. Please remember that the prior bar low is 474.53. So we still need to break beneath that. Okay, so let's see how Tesla is reacting to that. Yeah, it's reacting to the resistance of our initial entry for the huge play. This is still not a clear enough downside for me. Let's see, Meta is still not combating that topside discretionary resistance of 352.27. Still holding below that. Okay. Netflix may start to show a potential breakdown. Here we go. Support bounce 474.49. Retracement could be had there to the EMA 200, but it's going to take a little bit of patience here, team. We're going to need a couple of closures. So here's the potential bounce from this. There we go, right there. So we bounce from these zones here to validate the EMA 200, but it's going to take a couple shots here. Javi, it's looking like it's not looking, let me see. Yeah, I completely agree. So my overall resistance was that 470.02, still holding it, right? The next thing here is that in case price action continued to the upside, then it would be the prior day high at the 1.61840, 470.96. That is critical resistance there if we do get up there. But I already did notice that there was a lot of potential take profits right at that 470.02. So eyeballs on that. Okay. Man, coming up to test the SMA 10. And that's just another candle that has exposure inside of the EMA 200. I still don't have clear direction, team. 16 minutes and 52 seconds to close the hourly time frame. Let's check our LRC in other plays. Hourly time frame LRC on the SPY, we're still above it. We would need for this to close beneath 469.69. Damn. Right? We would need for this to close beneath the 469.69 in order for us to get a continuation to the downside here, of which we can find support somewhere between 468.72 and 468.33. That would mark off about a 2 to 3 point move to the downside, but I need you to be very careful in this area here. Let's see Tesla's potential breakdown. Yep. All right. So it's catching breakdown from this area here. But remember, the SMA 20 is located at 238.66, and that could show some potential bounce and support for the bulls. It's also confluent with the prior bar high at 238.62. So eyeballs on that too. And now the SMA 50 on the hourly is starting to come down a lot closer to the price action. It's at 241.73. The closer this SMA 50 gets, the more likely it is that we want to go and test that resistance there. And seeing that Netflix is also trying to get a test up to the EMA 20 to the potential SMA 50 here, and the SPY now breaking above that 470.02, there may be a chance to look at that 470.96 for the SPY. There may be a chance to look at, I don't know if it's going to pass the 239.74 on Tesla. And on Meta, we may be looking at the regression right at around the tops of the range here, around 354.31 to maybe 355.31. Careful on that. All right, so let me go ahead and just please, I'm gonna go ahead and keep reminding the team on YouTube that I haven't been able to remind everyone, right? So I've been trying to spend here the next days, even though that the team in Discord is presently ready and trading with me at 6:30 a.m. Please remember that I'm going to be transferring all guided plays, educational content, and everything into Discord for the private group indefinitely. So please make sure, as I'm going to be starting this the start of next week. And this is the Discord link here, team. Consider joining. Consider coming by to say hi to the team. If you want to, if you're curious as to what that is sort of looking like, then we could actually pull up the portraits. Let me see if I can do a portrait of my other display. You know what? I can just push it here and just show the team what's going on, right? So here is going to be the other. I'm going to share the other screen. Here you go. And this is currently This currently we have the team live in here, right? And we're all chatting on the side, and they're all looking at my play, right? And this is the total guided Discord platform that we're looking at, and this would be trading privately, team. So please go ahead and follow that link, as I will be transferring everything into the Discord there. So let's go back here to the screen and take a look at the play again. 350-227 meta holding that resistance again. Let's see how Tesla is looking against those upside targets. There we go. We're moving up to the secondary area of resistance, which is 240.30 to 240.86. It's still playing the plan. We're still in plan here. Still moving according to the plan. even still. Wow. Quick little bounce of the SMA 10 here with Netflix. Meta still, man, I can't believe it. That meta resistance here at that discretionary 350-227, super strong there, right? Not wanting to beat it whatsoever. SPY may be converting that 470.02 into a potential short-term support. But we do have, let me check the 4-hour. Not convincing me all the way. Okay, so what I don't know is that if the SPY is going to try to do a little bit of a bull flag here, or it can just do that little mini double top on a 470.42. Not sure just yet. I don't have confirmation. And how are the let's see how semiconductors are moving. SOXS showing that semiconductors do have an upside right now. So this can find support somewhere down to, damn, is that, I'm not even going to say that damn target out loud, right? So that would be literally devil horns in the air, 666, right, is the support here from the, not the prior day low, but it's finding a resistance of the prior day low, right at 683. Semiconductors here do still have a little bit more of an upside. I'm talking about NVIDIA, talking about AMD. Right, you can also long the SOXL. This is the 3x levered semiconductor pro shares, right? So you got to be super careful here. These are 3 times the speed of the price, so leveraged. All right, so Netflix coming back up, man. Getting tired of that story here. Okay, Meta's finally starting to show a little bit of action beyond the 350-227. If there is a short-term resistance, it would be right here at about 350-275, if it even gets there. But we can, and still falling beneath it, right? So we can just see how big of a resistance there is there, and it's kind of in combination here with the SPY as well. Let me go ahead and move these 3 there. So 350-220, what was it? 350-227 resistance. 470.02 resistance on the SPY. And Netflix is at a resistance right now. So if it's not going to be that EMA 20 at 475.78, it will be both of the EMA 50, SMA 50 and the EMA 55 at about EMA 50, 475.96 to about 475.90. And this is the closure of the 5-minute candle beneath these moving averages. There could be a quick little resistance and then a drop here to test the SMA 10 again. Netflix 5-minute. There you go. That's that quick little top test, right? And then this can come down here if it doesn't get the SMA 50 validation. One of those two. And it also looks like a potential bull flag. It's very similar to what the SPY is sort of building in the 5-minute time frame. See this? So I'm not sure if it's going to complete it. I'm not sure if it wants to get it. Nice. Meta breaking above the 350-227 again. Not really sure about that break still, huh? All right. Here we go, team. And let's see, Tesla. Tesla not quite getting into the second range of entries there. US1 saying, loving the Discord, Arca. Thank you so much. Oh, my brother, you're very welcome. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that we can, after the streams, say just a quick little hello there. We could share knowledge. Share education. It's all good. I really love it. I do. And I also love that that we can have people waiting in the voice channels before we stream. I can already see you guys hanging there right before I come on. It just shows me that we have an eager team and a timely team. So please remember, guys, I just posted 2 links there for the Discord. Go ahead and join. And as I will be streaming the guided plays there starting next week. And okay, so let's go back here to the SPY and find out what's going on. Okay, we're breaking above the 470.02, but I still can't tell if it's going to break above it or if it's just finding that little bit of a double top game here on the 5-minute time frame before a potential downside, right? So it is right now. Is it set? Am I reading that right? Is it 7:53 a.m. Pacific? SPY getting a little bit of a push here to the upside. Meta as well. And Netflix may want to come and test the SMA 50 at 475.93 if it fails the EMA 20. I know that thing ran like crazy. Oh, it's up again. Holy crap. Nice. All right, so yeah, this is one of my take profits, 461. And that is that was I think that was backed statistically. So now beyond that, there is a take profit at 547, but it would really need to get into the 581 to 660 and combat this upside here in order for it to continue to the upside. But yeah, there's still, it looks like there's still some more upside to go, specifically towards the high of day today at 460. So, and we noticed already that we could have already touched that target of 461. So targets are being met as per expected. We have a complete crossover strategy on the 5-minute time frame, triple moving average crossovers. Let's see let me see the 4-hour time frame. Are we above the 50 yet? Yes, we are. Nice. And we're closing above the 50 day simple moving average too. So, and on the daily, I think I just saw the break of it too. Oh man, this is turning into big bullish here. SMA 50 break of it. SMA 10 current support on the daily time frame. Yeah, brother, I see a continuation to the upside here. It's going to be a little tough to get over that 461, but immediate short term could lead to 473, 491, with the 491 being the focus and the top side being either 513 or 496. So it's coming up. It's coming up. I feel like it's slowly but surely, but we were able to notice this around 4 or 5 days ago that there could be some upside here. So good deal on that one, brother. Let's continue on. Not a problem, Galvin. I got you, my brother. I got you. So let's see. I'm curious if us Track 3 students should be allowed to join in to kick back and listen during the Track 4 classes. I would love to be able to do that for recaps. Yes, absolutely, you can. Yep, I encourage the Track 3 students to retrace if you guys feel like you need to get a recap. You're going to notice that there are slight differences in every single recording that I do. So that's why I've given you access to the Track 1, 2 as a reference, so you can see the Track 1 and 2 lectures. Netflix opening above the SMA 50. This is going to introduce the top resistances for the SPY at that 470.96 prior day high. That there could be an extreme amount of downside pressure there. Okay, so I'm presently not long any or short any position, right? So this is the retracement here on the 5-minute time frame to test that SMA 50 conversion of resistance into support. We talked about that little bit of a bull flag. It's literally realizing. Okay, and Senor Pennington, you have no idea how bad I felt not sending those out last night. I capitulated. Like I felt like I didn't sleep at all, man. So here's my dead promise to you. You will have it today. Okay, so net say again, Crypto.
How we doing?
We're looking like
I just took profit on Tesla at 240.
Good. That's the plan
I'm
from
out.
yesterday.
I'm out of the market.
Awesome.
For now.
So, and we know that there could be a pullback, right, into that potential 238 to see if we can actually then run up again and find some type of resistance starting from 240 to around 246. So the plan is still working as we were talking about last night. Good deal.
Netflix never did what I thought it would. It's because the market didn't tank.
Yeah, the market didn't tank.
Everything.
And but what I will say is this. I mean, dude, tell me that doesn't look like Head and Shoulders here on the 5-minute pre-market to day's trade to intraday.
No, market's still going to tank, but you got to remember the news gave it a quick
boost.
That's going to last this morning.
Yep.
So
the PMI 2-point beat.
Yeah, we still might look at end of day dump.
I think so too, and I really think that the SPY may want to reach the 470.96 zone. It's at 470.11 right now, 470.07, and that would be the geometric golden mean, the 1.618, and the prior day high. I mean at the penny. Meta retracing back to its original resistance of 352.27. Tesla breaking down. I think that the SMA 20 on the hourly could be the support. So around 238.81 to about 238.64. And that's why I meant that I wish that I could do shares on Tesla, right? Because Tesla is like, it was not going to be a volatile upside. It's a lot of resistance towards that upside, but it is playing the thesis pretty nicely.
Tesla had to play shares.
Yeah. Because you could hold too, you wouldn't have to just, only worry about volatility here. It's just literally directional.
Nvidia's been taking off all morning, just nonstop.
I was noticing that on the. I was noticing that in the semiconductors. The SOXS is still falling. And
two plays were Meta, which is still going. And I'm out already.
Yeah, Netflix, didn't you?
No, I didn't go on Netflix.
Oh no, that was the potential. Yeah, the potential that we just never.
I didn't like it. It never broke and confirmed 200. It just broke it, but not confirmed it.
Freaking thing. But check out Tesla.
I'm sleepy,
dude. So Tesla on the bi-daily time frame is falling beneath the EMA 50. Bi-daily resistance is there right now. So I'm not sure if that's gonna be the official resistance validation, but that could be a reason why price action is not continuing above it, really reaching into the 240 to 240.86 secondary range to get short the asset. Let's take a look here. Senor Pennington.
Senor Pennington.
What's up, Casey?
Senor Pennington.
And let's see. Sorry, I'm trying to see the chat here in Discord.
What's up, Lauren?
Dude, I checked his just for the kick. I just checked his. I went to check his. What is it called? The his Discord. I think he's still in Discord.
Lauren,
so you apparently me, right? So apparently I didn't. He still didn't move out of the country based off of my words. Oh no! Hourly time frame just closed beneath the LRC. So this is technically a bear play, but it's not really bearing yet, just yet.
We gotta wait for Nvidia to slow down.
It's really pushing everything, man.
Yeah, once Nvidia slows down, then we will get the.
Look at Meta, bro. Like Meta is taking it too. Oh goodness,
dude, Meta, I'm pissed, man. I sold out like way too early.
Oh
It's
no!
gone up like $2 since I sold. Like,
Damn it again! Oh, dude. Dude, Meta is at a technical resistance, but this thing still has massive upside. Wow.
that's why you can't form a bias.
Say again.
That's why you can't form a bias, because if you were looking for a down bias, you kept waiting for stuff to retrace and you missed trades.
Yeah, exactly. Potential resistance coming up at around 350, 368 for Meta. And that's damn.
Tesla pushing up again.
Tesla's pushing up. Dude, Meta and Nvidia are about to drag the whole market up. My goodness. Let's see what's up. Oh my goodness.
Nvidia's still crushing.
Nvidia's crashing?
Crushing.
Oh, it's crushing. Damn it. I thought it was crashing. I was like, no way. I was like, we're in. We're ready to go.
Not yet.
Not quite yet.
In Nvidia. Maybe Taiwan needs to get invaded right now.
Taiwan? Why?
Nvidia. Semiconductors.
The semiconductors. Ah, dude. Zen, what you saying? I'm about to take profit on the SPY as it's approaching the resistant. Okay, very happy play. Thank you, Arca. You're welcome, my brother. You're very welcome. And remember to join the damn Discord.
Deploy the fleet to Taiwan.
No. Remember to join the Discord, bro, because I'm going to be guiding these plays there. Ah, yeah. Little bit of weakness here on Meta. Not convinced with the weakness whatsoever. It feels like it's still gonna try to make its top side. As I'm telling you, I think the SPY still has the potential here to reach its 470.96. I'm just not sure when, but I feel like that's gonna be the area where it's just gonna go. It's gonna be like, wow, I'm too tired. You know, and in a technical standpoint, Meta has already ran like $7 in its true range, and it has 739. So it's just about maxed out, almost there.
Nvidia's ATR is 11. So
damn, how much has this moved from the 11?
Got 10. Still got $1 to go.
Still $1 to go.
Mm-hmm.
Crap. That's insane because it could literally drag the market again. Dude, that is nuts. That is nuts. I don't know if it's going to find a support here for a continuation to the upside, but I have a feeling it wants to really touch that.
Dude, Nvidia's just saying F support, F resistance, F everything. I'm going up.
I'm just going up.
I'm just going up.
Damn, dude.
That's the one I should have traded.
Which one? Meta?
Nvidia.
Oh, Nvidia. That thing just went gnarly, bro. It went sicky nar. And it had I think when was it? Not yesterday or the day before yesterday, I was speaking of the potential the potentials of semiconductors doing something.
Or you notice Nvidia's trading like Tesla used to trade.
How like just on its own gas, wherever the hell the wind blows, type of thing.
yeah. Before the split on Tesla used to just do whatever the hell it wanted. Nothing controlled it.
Oh
That's
my
how
goodness.
Nvidia's been trading.
I totally feel that. And dude, look at Netflix is breaking above all the moving averages. This may continue. The Spy, I see it on the 5-minute looking like it's curling, right? But I do think it also could. There's two potentials there. Yeah, it could be a curl. It also could be validations of resistances. But at some point, the damn boy is going to take advantage. It's going to get taken advantage of.
Nvidia's got to be running out of steam. It just hit its top regression.
It did.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man!
If it breaks 494, then it's going to take off again.
So we may be at some type of.
We're just going to do right now.
So we may be at some type of technical resistance too, and a potential shooting star on the 5-minute to bearish engulfing 2 minutes and 49 seconds to close that.
Everything, see, once Nvidia hit that, everything pulled back a little bit.
huge pressure.
So Nvidia is controlling the market right there. I showed it.
Let's go ahead and
so watch Nvidia, then that will tell us when we could enter anything else short.
Dude, that was my Nvidia resistance, the freaking stupid 494.32. Ridiculous, man. That is high. That is so much.
See, the pressure is down. As soon as Nvidia slowed down, everything started printing red.
Guys, what you're observing here, you see this, that this is at 477 and price action is at 494. This is why we don't do the small stock, the small caps. because $30 increases here.
Because they suck.
Oh man, this is absolute upside volatility is insane.
How's that squeeze stock going?
Dude, where's the ZJYL? Did it fall? No.
I forgot. Is it ZABDC?
ZABDCs? Wait, you just really messed me up. What was ZY or ZJYL?
I don't remember.
I think it's this something. One. Oh God. Dude, I hope my bro, I told him to bail out at that 145 where he's at. It's at 130. He would have been $15 down. Double X, my bro.
Why?
Oh, dude.
What is it? I forgot.
ZJYL. Holy crap. Okay. It's like they just splattered a bunch of letters of whatever into there. And Nvidia is still pushing. What?
Yeah.
What the hell?
I'm telling you, Nvidia.
What a monster. Tesla.
If it breaks 494,
the whole market is bullish.
It's gonna get the dollar extra.
Holy crap. Look, it's making Meta recover too.
But let's FOMO into CGY ABCD instead.
Bro, we need to get long that with all margin.
I'm gonna throw all my margin into ZABDC right now.
Oh, Z, you don't have a good signal to watch it on. Switch over to YouTube. And see if it's chilling there.
Even that chart looks.
Ian just said no mo FOMO.
No mo FOMO?
No mo FOMO.
OGG probably went like $500,000 to ZABDC. That's why he's not here.
Damn it, man! I wish. Where did my bro go? I forgot to call him yesterday.
OGG.
Hold up, dude. Hold on just a sec. This is okay. Meta started to show that. That sounded like Jaime Jarrín for Dodgers.
Los Angeles suck ass.
What is your favorite baseball team? I don't actually watch
Dodgers
baseball.
Trying to buy a World Series and they never will get one.
And then people are going to say here, not the Dodgers.
Dodgers suck.
The Dodgers suck. Dude. The Yankees, US won. The Yankees.
Yankees. The Yankees pushed past 494. So here 495 is coming.
Oh no.
That's its ATR max. Yep.
Oh, dude. Oh my goodness. It just went beyond the resistance, dude. This thing may actually. Oh, lordy lord. Holy goodness. It's actually pressuring meta to the upside. Oh, dude.
We gotta wait for NVIDIA to do anything.
Yeah, NVIDIA apparently just needs to, do his little dance here and just be like, I'm done. I'm tired. Because look at the bearish divergence starting in volume. Oh my God, dude, look at NVIDIA.
I know.
How are we not in that stupid ass? Damn it. Wow. NVIDIA ripping buttholes open, dude. That is incredible price action. Dude. Oh my goodness, man. Oh my goodness. Wait, what the heck is going on with my screen? Oh goodness. Los Yankees de Nueva York, says Lou Bones. What's up, Lou Bones?
Pinche Yankees.
Pinche Yankee. NVIDIA is literally squeezing.
At least not the Dodgers.
Los Angeles Dodgers.
500, dude.
NVIDIA going to 500? Dude, that would be the biggest resistance.
Dude.
You know that 499.97 up there? Yeah, right there. High conviction, high volatility.
And you can't enter a trade right now because there's no setup. So you just got to wait.
You just got to wait for it to just pull back because that's the setup.
Yeah. There's nothing. You can't even go in.
Oh,
watching it.
Dude. Netflix just printed a buy signal on the 5-minute time frame.
Green. Down.
Buzzman, you just said ripping buttholes open. That will get your attention. It's like just in case you were falling asleep at the desk at your job, leave it to Arca to wake your ass up. You're good to go now. So, Power Slave, NVIDIA hit that hourly gap nicely. Oh my goodness. Dude, we got some bull pressure. There is definitely bull pressure here. So, not sure how volatile that upside is going to be, but it's still leading, and it's still taking the broader markets with it, right? So Tesla did that. Oh man, look at this. Tesla still testing our initial entry. Oh man.
Tesla's gonna probably hit 244, dude. At this rate.
Yeah, we were already talking about that potential, and honestly, I don't think
push it up.
Yeah, I think NVIDIA may just be coming back down to gather some more bulls before another upside. Knowing this damn thing,
yeah, it's not done. Yeah,
it feels like it's not done at all. Oh my goodness.
Like an institute right now is pushing it down to get more people in,
and then it's gonna be like, let's go,
boom, let's go,
bear trap,
and then they're gonna dump it on it. They're gonna dump it on everybody,
dude. That's gonna be so.
But it's still gonna go up another $5. Everybody's gonna be like, NVIDIA squeezing, and then they're gonna dump it on them.
It's like it's squeezing when it's already done. It's like freaking average true range.
It's like Z, Y, A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
You mean
like
this one here?
It's squeezing, go in.
Dude, my bro said, Arca, what are you feeling like this is looking like? I'm like, it's looking like you got to get the hell out right now. Dude, he pulled out. He pulled out at 145.
Good.
With a 127 average. He would have lost it all. He would have lost all his gains now. He would have been up 1%.
Dude, the thing with ZABDC is like it's a thesis that everybody got in the day. It's not like they were researching. It's just like squeeze off.
This is we're going to the moon. Let's rip it with everybody else thesis.
There was no analysis. There's nothing. Ham said that big boys are in, and Willie got off, and then our buddy got into it, and it's like,
dude. And remember the averages that we were speaking of. The cost basis. Look at NVIDIA. It totally picked everybody up.
What's the spread right now on? Oh, the spread is actually the best it's been. It's only at 13.
It's only at the 13 widespread. Oh my goodness.
It's been 50, dude.
Remember,
Zenon, you did not go in on the NVIDIA, you moron.
bro, get out of that.
Dude, do not do that.
Oh my
You can't
goodness.
just need a setup. That wasn't a setup.
That is such a gamble, bro. Kick your butt.
Dude, you don't do that. That's how you end up destroying your account, dude. No. You don't quick scalp without a setup, dude.
Dude, meaning that this thing has an $11 average true range, and you're scalping the upside at $11, bro.
Retarded.
Oh, dude. You are so lucky, bro. You should have played the Mega Millions 2 days ago. That's what you should have done. You would have gotten a quick scalp there, brother. You would have banked on $50 million.
Yeah. Zenon just picked up a scratcher. That's all he did.
Oh, no way, dude. Dude, Z is trading the. I'm paper trading, not casual. Well, my deposit got reversed. Oh, damn, that sucks.
Don't even paper trade like that because you develop bad habits.
Yeah,
Muscle memory is important in trading.
Remember, I told you yesterday that we were talking about the paper trading. It's just oftentimes you need actual skin in the game to really get that that burn. You know that you're losing cash. So you have to, if you're gonna use a paper trade account, simulator account, you have to really pretend like that is actually happening and there's actual live cash, and really make yourself believe that. Right? It's hard for a lot of people to do that because you'll just get bored and be like, enter, exit, like wherever. But would you do that with real money? You know, so try to treat it as such, and see if it can, and see if you can find consistency there too. And I encourage it, brother. I really do encourage you to use a simulator, to use your historical charts. Just the more chart exposure you have, the better you'll be at reading price action. The only thing I hate about paper trading is it doesn't stop you from going past 3-day trades. Oh, I was just having that conversation with Cryptic yesterday. I was like, dude, I only have 3 shots during the whole week to find my resistances. I have to find it. Oh, man. Bit a little did it. Wow. NVIDIA starting to show a little bit of weakness.
Might be a pullback though, but everything's showing the weakness too.
It did kind of just pull back ish. This thing is scary, bro. NVIDIA is a scary boy. Oof.
Yeah, Zenon, but in that theory, you already used one of your paper trades on a stupid trade.
So you also have to pretend that you have 3 trades. Unless you just open up 3 brokerages, bro, and have 9.
A dumb trade.
Kill it, Powder Slave. Yeah. LQR at 469. What did I say about that, Alex? Looks like shorts got the call. Yeah, there is a potential here that there is the end of an up run, but there's also the potential of it doing one of these down here. You know, because it still has $1. It could technically still run $1. Alex, what did I say? I don't remember what I said. Regarding the downside or upside for LQR. Let's see.
So it looks like it wants to reverse here.
Maybe so. Look at the spies breaking down the SMA 20.
And Nvidia looks like it's slowing down. Might not be out of steam, but it's slowing down.
Yeah.
That's all you really need.
Okay. Damn. ZJYL. Oh my goodness. Okay, the spy pushed up. It looks like it. Yeah. See the spy. I think it just wants to validate the conversion, the crossing below of the SMA 20 on a 5-minute. I'm not sure if that's what it wants. But Nvidia starting to show a little bit of weakness here. It could come back down to prior bar high at which could be equivalent to the SMA 10 at about 492.85. Maybe. So Javi's saying thank you for what you guys do. Good to hear live different ideas. Oh my goodness, dude. It's hard to I don't know another person like Cryptic, because that just does this, I don't know anyone else. That actually just does this, and in the similar styles too. Well, he has his own damn thing and I have my own damn thing, but we're always like, we veer off of each other and then end at the same target. Let's see. Damn, I have to leave for work. Thank you, Encryptic, for all the help in teaching today. Alex, take care. Joe H, bro, where have you been all of my damn life, brother?
What the hell's that fool doing here?
Yeah, what happened, man? Where have you been? Where'd you go?
Maybe Joe H is Lorraine.
Don't you go with Lauren, brother. Joe H, where you been at, brother? No way, you were at the Caribbean? Dude, we were just talking about you last night with all the fights that you used to have with options in the Discord, months ago. Dude. How was the vacay though, bro? Did you hang with the family or was it solo? Damn, dude. Ballin'. Here's the Nvidia dropping to that
Yep.
To maybe, I don't know if it can do it all the way, right? So that prior bar high 492.82 is kind of what I'm sort of maybeing myself with.
This is breaking down to 200, which is a good sign for down. See what happens.
Yeah.
Again, it's all contingent on Nvidia. Or maybe ZJ way ABC is controlling the market.
Of course it is.
What's my ATR on ZG? 84.
80. Oh, dude. It went up.
Yeah.
Damn. Okay. So, Nvidia is showing this. I'm like watching it like a hawk, dude. Joe H, don't you tell me about no yacht, brother. Let's go.
Joe H has a yacht?
Joe H, you got a yacht? Dude, Joe H, him too, man. That guy, in my early days of streaming, he's literally donated hundreds of dollars to me.
Joe H's yacht is inflatable, so I don't know.
Joe H, please don't tell me it's an inflatable yacht. You tell him, hell no, son.
It's an inflatable yacht.
You tell him, hell nah. boot.
George has a yacht. Katie has a carrier, so
Katie does have a carrier, a
yeah,
battle.
she has a carrier,
She
dude.
has battleship, a bomber over there, man. She filled with a bunch of Top Guns. Let's go.
He has the USS Gerald R. Ford. So
I saw her here earlier, but I still is Katie Cat. You haven't said a thing. Oh, I think she's running her 94 miles.
oh yeah.
It's breaking. So Spy is breaking the pennant. Yeah, and also was getting that SMA 20 validation, the crossover to the downside. So, damn, there's something afoot. And is Meta feeling the downside? Yes, it is. It's got a little bit of support here at around 351.82. Oh, dude, Joe H, like you're really for real about that, dude? You have a 2001 Bonato 50-footer? Wow, that is a huge ass boat. Huge jazz. Watching Spy.
Boat, so.
Oh,
has a 100-footer.
You have a 100-footer?
No, not me, shoot.
Dude.
First of all, how many Mexicans have freaking boats? Even if you're a billionaire.
Dude.
Pinche lancha.
Pinche lancha.
My Theo don't have a boat. My Theo has a submarine, but not a boat.
That fool's got a submarine?
Yeah.
Just in case we need to take the kids to school, we need the sun.
Just in case for something.
In case it ever comes in handy, we have
in case it's ever handy.
In case there's too much traffic, we can always go underwater.
Take the submarine.
Javi said, watching the Spy closely, man. I want to enjoy a nice steak this weekend, even if it's from Chili's. Brother, we can always have Taco Bell and pretend it's a nice steak, too.
Taco Bell gives me chorro, dude.
Dude, Taco Bell is blue screen stomach for sure, man.
Dude, once you pass 30, you can't eat Taco Bell.
I completely agree. Oh, dude, that's funny. Where are we on the Spy? Let's see. The Spy is the Spy is breaking the invalidation, man. Spy is likely to slide down here, team. 468.72. It's got a little bit of resistance or support to the downside at 469.03. But the Spy, yeah, that feels like it's capitulating. The Spy is about to slide on. Slide on them. Cleanse the stomach with Taco Bell, guys. That is yep. You can you can cleanse your stomach for sure. And Joe H just said Taco Bell is poverty cat food.
Taco Bell.
Poverty cat
Taco Bell
food.
cost me my gallbladder.
Oh, dude. It hurts, man.
Taco Bell made my gallbladder explode. Literally.
That's messed up, man. That is messed up. And no way, NVIDIA. Get the hell out of here with all those answers. Look at NVIDIA doing the thing that I told you with a little bull flag. It's like, tricked you.
Go down.
$500.
Go down.
Oh, goodness in heaven. And then I think... And I think...
Said Willie started his stream.
Oh, dude.
I'm gonna somebody go on Willie's stream and ask him if ZJ ABDC is a joke and if you should pull it out. Just anybody.
That fool light you up. Oh my goodness.
He lit that fool that he lit up is down $300 right now.
Dude, 300 down, man. He is now
He's
down.
Like, Willie, he's like, Willie, I got in at 300. Should I sell? He's like, you motherfucker.
Dude, what do you mean, should you sell? You're going to complain about. Damn. Dude, that guy is down.
Sell.
Don't sell. Dude,
he's like, don't you believe him?
He is down 96% his position now. He might as well just get his $15 out. You know, at least you'll have some poverty cat food for the night.
Yeah. You could go to Taco Bell and get a Taco Supreme.
Taco Supreme. And hopefully we can write that loss off.
Well, you know, Taco Bell pays $22 an hour now, so, you know, I have to get a job.
What's up, peeps? I swung 4 ENPH contracts overnight. Those went well, but still, oh my goodness, dude. Yeah, I would encourage you to never have any exposure of contracts.
And never swing ENPH, because ENPH has its own mind.
It's got its own silly brain.
Yeah, it's good, but it picks a direction and it picks whatever it wants, not what the charts say.
Dude, dead ass. Yep.
That's more of a day trade, not a swing trade.
The ENPH. Oof. There's downside here on NVIDIA. That's feeling, wow.
Come on, NVIDIA. Come on. You can do it. Give NVIDIA some Taco Bell.
It's going to give us some Taco Bell.
Yeah. It's going to run for the border.
Damn, that thing is for real doing it.
I'm going to call Theo to go find Joe H's sub. His yacht with his sub.
Dude, does he have a boat actually for real?
Who?
Theo?
No, I'm serious. He has a sub.
So we weren't talking about a really large boat. We are actually talking about a down periscope submarine that goes underwater for real. This whole time I was just like, yeah, funny. That's cool.
I'm not going to tell you what he uses it for, but he has a submarine.
Dude, that's got to be the most baller thing I've ever heard in my life. It's like not even owning a white tiger does it, bro. No. It's you having a submarine.
Submarine, dude.
What? Dude, that is freaking jokes, bro. That is so funny. Holy crap, that is good. Man. Danielle saying up $320.
The FBI is going to be monitoring this stream.
Dude, they're
like, who's Theo?
Sorry, who owns
it? By the way, FBI, my name is Lauren. That's my real name.
By the way, FBI, my name. I'll be knocking on his door like, hey. Dude, so tell me this. How does Theo renew the tags? What's the registration like?
I don't think Mexico cares about tags, dude.
I don't think anybody can see the damn tags on the submarine anyway, man. Oh, dude, that's so good. Oh my goodness, man. Look at Danielle just said up $320 for the day. Let's go. That's a great day for me. I've been green every day this year. I love Arca and Cryptic. I'm seeing like I want one. Dude, he said, what does he work for? Look at his comment. Oh no. What? I want one with a nuclear reactor. Oh, dude. That I don't know if that like passed off as racist or not. It's like I'm talking to two Mexican dudes on the Discord. I'm definitely gonna ask this here. Oh, dude, that's good. He's a jefe. Dude, Daniel's saying my dad owned a C-Ray dealership. We had a 52 footer, which my son docked at 10 years old. Damn. Okay, for anyone who doesn't understand how difficult that is, it's like parking a dump truck between two Chevys in a Walmart parking lot. That's a great analogy. Holy crap. Guys, I don't know if this is gonna flip bearish just yet, but that SMA 10 is getting dangerously close to Nvidia's price action where it could use it as a support and then a continuation to the upside and then make everybody look super silly. Not sure if that's the case here. And also Meta finding a little bit of support and potential break of the, what the hell is even that? Ever since I colored the SMA 20. Ever since they colored them differently, I'm like, what the hell did I just do? Well, the Ponzi, where you at?
Ponzi's a racist, man.
No one owns a submarine in Mexico unless, just saying.
Dude, you can own a submarine like if you want. Like, what if he does underwater tours?
Oh,
you don't know that?
Dude, yeah. Ponzi.
What if he's a tourist guide?
What if he's yeah, man. What if he's the guy?
Yeah, I mean, he could be. Yeah, he's the guy with that little boat that goes down, you know,
to the Titanic.
A little bit. Yeah. Jeez, what a racist.
Dude, so yeah, what if he uses it to take people to Titanic, you know?
Yeah.
If I owned a submarine, I know what I would be using it for. That's what he said.
Orgies.
Dude, yeah, hey man, if you're a baller that hard, you could just have massive parties, like massive parties in like sound system, dancing floor, the works. And you just got your whole team in there with, you know, checking the sonar just in case there's the federales over there looking for you.
Oh shit! I forgot. Katie Cat works for the Navy.
Damn it, Katie Cat!
They're gonna be looking for Theo's submarine.
Did they really? Oh, that's right. Katie Cat, the last people who did, that's right, they did because of the build. I think it was like paper thin or the pressure, right? I forgot that happened.
Well, Katie, Theo's not going that deep. So
okay, so Theo doesn't. He actually validated. Cryptic just validated that no one is getting taken to the Titanic. Arca is just being stupid. So
Theo's just like doing little reef stuff. You know, that's it.
Yeah, just taking
just look at the fishes. That's all.
And while taking a few girls, you know, we take a few girls to look at some fishes, really big underwater fishes.
Yeah, that's it. Nothing else.
With cement shoes. Dude. Good times.
No. Cement shoes is the mafia. Remember?
Yeah, that is mafioso.
If there was such a thing as a cartel, they do different.
Ian just said my great grandmother was on the Titanic. Definitely don't tell me it was Rose McGowan. All right, she worked for a lord and lady as a lady in waiting. Dude, what?
A lord and a lady as a lady? That's so British. Oh my god.
That is way back then, man. That is definitely, what is it, like the early 1900s. That is incredible. Bro, you got to post pictures up of that. I want to know. Meta still, dude, the market's literally just went out of shock. Like nothing is happening.
It's gonna fall now. Nvidia's channeling now.
Oh, dude. Listen, bro. If I owned a submarine, I'm selling tacos from it. How many people you know will not get there? Dude, who wouldn't go to buy my tacos from my submarine?
Imagine put it off Long Beach. A little submarine right there popping up with the tacos.
Yeah, there's like a few submarines parked there anyway. You know? So
yep.
Ponzi just said I'll buy tacos anywhere though. So
well, Theo brings the lettuce from Mexico to you, that's all.
The lettuce. And with a nice crunch.
Yep.
Danielle, you made tacos last night? I definitely had some tacos 2 nights ago. What kind of tacos, though? Please don't say steak. Never say steak to me when you're speaking tacos.
Carne asada, adobada.
Yeah.
I like tripas, dude.
You do? Dude, it needs to be super fried for me to have tripa.
Yeah, it is super. Well, haven't you? My dad has that bowl, that tripa bowl.
Yeah, where you put the oil.
You just flood it with oil, like
And
heart
then you put
attack
the
working.
carnitas in
Stick
there.
the tripas in there.
Yeah.
Yep.
Dude, I like suadero and I like buche. Like well done.
Yeah.
Katie Cat. Yeah, we're watching for a potential broader market capitulation. I'm not sure if
Tesla could still be on. We're just waiting for a break.
Yeah, so
if Tesla breaks red to green, it's on, which is at 237.93.
Yeah, so remember yesterday in the right, you weren't. I forget that you go to bed the Eastern time. But we streamed last night and I put the play together. So entry here for the first entry for Tesla was set to 239.24 to 239.74, and we said the higher potential would be 240.29 to 240.86. If the market felt bullish, then it had the chance to go into 240 to 245. But so far, the initial entries are good from our play. Right? So
you could have entered here and be red green already.
Yeah. And then this, man, I was telling Cryptic last night that I felt like this would have been way better and easier if it were shares instead of like options contracts, because this is getting ready for a huge drop and a very, very, very big one. As soon as this
honestly, Tesla could go
below 200.
Honestly, Tesla right now, I mean, it could get to like 235 today.
Wow. And it already did a 235 no, that was not today.
Well, the low today is 234.90. It could reach it.
Yeah.
Nvidia holds.
Let's see. Wow.
And Nvidia is holding. Yeah, Nvidia's done.
Yeah, Nvidia feels like a complete capitulation here.
Like, honestly, this is a good short for Nvidia too, because it bounced off the linear range.
Yeah, you still have the 5-minute SMA 20 to look forward to, and it's still a whole $1 away.
Well, the way I play shorts off LRC, I take it at 490. Or take it at 494, looking for 491. Quick little scalp. That's how you play a reversal off of LRC. Not a full reversal, just a partial.
The partial.
Mm-hmm.
Spy breaking down some more. Nice. And it's right into lunchtime too. Man. In 15 minutes, dude, look at Nvidia. In 15 minutes, that would be the most epic shooting star.
Yep.
Holy crap.
I'm up huge right now on my Tesla. Because I took
the 240 entry.
240.
Yeah.
I took the 240 entry.
And dude,
but I'm aggressive because I have shares.
Yeah. So dude, I can tell you, bro, that you probably should maybe leave that for a couple days. If you could, because I honestly I don't know, bro.
I don't like to hold shorts overnight.
Because of the borrow rate.
No, and no stop loss.
No stops, yeah.
Because when you short, you have unlimited loss.
Look at the buy daily Tesla though.
If something happens,
oof. Yeah, you're dead.
That's why I prefer just every day. Every day, I'll just go in every day.
As long as we know the overall direction.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because if there's a gap up, then I'm screwed with shares.
Yeah. You would be big time screwed for sure.
Big time screws, because unlimited loss on short.
Scary times there, bro.
And when you use margin, especially.
Damn it!
Don't do that.
Yeah, no, can't do that.
I would open puts. But I'm not much of a and hold them.
I think the play is going to be in 14 minutes, bro. Potential validation of the top side here, 493.32 if it can get there. 490 to 493.57. There could be a play here. But the thing is that we're leading into lunchtime. And I hate it.
No, don't wait till after lunch. Unless you have shares, then go for it.
Right? Because it really doesn't matter, the overall direction. I ran a back test on this, brother. I ran a back test last night, and this is a bi-daily. I'm going to show you. This is a bi-daily volatility versus stochastic momentum complete back test throughout his entire trading history. These are all my samples. And I calculated here that anytime that volatility has contracted, which is right now, and started an expansion phase paired with a downside on stochastics, 35 total iterations throughout the entire trading history, of which 29 were guessed correctly to the downside. So the average downside accuracy is almost 83% probabilities here of the move. I've been talking about this downside for like 2 or 3 days now. The average breakdown here would be a 14.7% move to the downside. Like, we're talking about a 14.7% move to the downside on a $200 asset. That means that it's almost 40 points down. And the standard deviation is set to almost a 10% drop. And the signal is, I got to see in 4 hours and 12 minutes, we're going to see what the bi-daily close is like. And we're going to see what volatility did during these last 2 days. And then we're going to see what kind of a reaction we're getting for the setup, for the downside setup. So this is a backtest of a huge play. And another potential weird little thing to let me see. Hold on. I don't think I'm seeing it correctly. Damn. I don't know if many people can perceive that to be what I'm looking at here, but let me open a new chart and check this out. We were looking at Tesla, right? So Tesla, let's go to the 3-day. And actually, let me see the 5-day. Oh, shoot. That's right. And I hope it doesn't fake out, actually. Tesla's full of tricks, right? So this is what I mean. I hope it doesn't fake out. So if it's trying to convert, if it's trying to pull back here to find a support for a bounce to the upside, that's a huge bear trap. So hold on. Actually, no. We're validating the resistance again. I think I would.
Yeah, our Tesla looks like it's toast, man.
Yeah, and I think it's validating resistance right now. It's at the top. Oh, dude. So what I was trying to say is that, let me look at, I was looking at it from this other time frame. Where was it? Yeah, this, like, from a 3-day perspective. I don't know if I can accurately call that, but let me just and then show you. There's plenty of people who could be seeing that. See? I don't know if we have, and then this is like that. And don't tell me it matches my targets too, bro. No way. I don't think it would do that. I don't know that it would. 118? You think? I mean, I'm already potentially looking at a 198 to 200. Holy crap. Dude, if we're really setting this up, there's something big happening. Holy crap. That would be insane. On what ticker, Daniel? On the SPY? You said... Oh, you mean the SMA 5 crossing below the SMA 50? That would be... you're better off looking at the SMA 20 versus the SMA 50. Or the EMA 9 versus the EMA 21. There's also a few people who observe the EMA 13 against the EMA 48. But at that point you can also
48 is too much of a retail thing.
Yeah, and then if you're using a 1348, you might as well just use an SMA 10 over a SMA 50. It's just so different. We already did, Ian. Oh, I'm sorry. You're coming up to the new class, right? Yeah, we do. We go over all the most popular moving average crossover strategies. Names, strategies, and how to trade them. Take profits, the whole thing. That's like early on too. I think that's probably week number 3 or something. It's like understanding the no, it's a week number 4, I think. 3 or 4, I don't remember. It was moving averages week. What was, Daniel? Do you remember when I think I dedicated an entire week to just moving averages? And there are so many different kinds too, man. Yeah. Oh, okay. Casey saying it was week number 4. And let's see what Meta is doing. Meta getting a little bit of recovery here, potentially trying to test. I don't know if it'll get all the way up to the SMA 20, but that could be the validation of resistance.
Everything here is validation. Nothing's going to go up anymore.
Yeah, I don't think anything's going up anymore. This is just...
That's it. We already hit our highs.
I have to revisit it and sit on the new class. Yeah. Please, you're more than welcome to. You're more than chilling to.
Everything's going to slow down now, so...
Yeah, coming into lunch, we're gonna have some contraction here.
No, we're gonna channel right now, and then after lunch, you're gonna see a drop.
Yeah, I do believe it.
Most likely. Danielle, I SMAs, remember, they're based on historical stuff, so I don't rely much on them. Look at price action crossing above SMAs, not each other.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. I think the price crossing above will work because oftentimes depending on how long of a length you're looking at, that's a really delayed reaction. We're using a moving average crossover. So it's especially an SMA 100 that takes a great deal or a longer amount of time to cross or to even show curvature.
Look at them as support and resistances for price action. And once it crosses it, then look at it as a confirmation for continuation. You get what I'm saying?
Chilling. Oh, dude. This thing trickled down to a nothing.
I was looking at the option flow on Tesla. There was big option flow at 240, but it was hedged with
on Tesla?
Tesla. See.
Damn it.
Today, for expiration today, 240 was a big number, but also was hedging against the lower, but there's hedges going down up to 220. The big number for today was 240.
240.
Yeah, and it hit it already.
Wow. Meta is actually showing a little bit of weakness right now. Let's see that, dude. And Tesla is not quite showing all that weakness, but it is trending down. Just not as.
Well, you gotta remember Tesla's bouncy.
It is jumpy.
Meta is more straight. So Tesla is showing weakness. It's just that's how it shows it. Tesla has to go back and confirm. Has to bounce up and confirm.
Agreed.
Because Tesla's not smooth.
Not smooth. Nvidia about to break the 5-minute time frame. SMA 20 that could show, guys. 1 minute and 30 seconds left to close a huge shooting star here on Nvidia. That's showing a lot, bro. Hold on a second, dude. I think Nvidia could slide. Like it could really fall here. I just hate that we're a minute out, dude. I hate the lunchtime here. Damn it. Yeah, this would be a better shares play at this point. Damn it. I think that was the well, you can consider it's blow off top. The closer in 43 seconds. This is an excellent shooting star. Like a textbook shooting star here. Doom, doom, doom. Price action is hovering right at the cross. So then you wait up. Yeah.
Nvidia.
I usually wait for the validation too. Sorry, bro.
Nvidia, wait till after lunch. Nvidia, wait till after lunch and see if it's still around here. If it is, then enter puts.
Yeah, I think you would want.
Not right now.
Yeah, because this can still be jumpy.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
See, it just closed above the SMA 20, so that could technically take it to 493.31.
Not that line. It's gonna channel. It just established its channel.
Downward. It could be at oh, I see. Yeah, it could be at a channel bottom.
Yep. It's gonna bounce between that. So Tesla's gonna bounce right here. So pretty much we're on hold now.
And then
I still see Tesla going to the lower day.
Yeah, I think Guys, I think Nvidia here, this candle is going to show promise closer to the close of lunch. It's inflection.
You could front run it. You could front run it maybe at 9:45,
Yeah.
but no sooner.
I think your inflection point is just going to break at 492.14, but since options are kind of their crux is the volatility, then that it could either crush you or it could go in the money. It's kind of a little bit of a gamble. Wow, but the sellers are taking advantage of the shooting star for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Very interesting.
If it wasn't lunch, I'd enter puts right now on that. I usually don't, but I think it's gonna.
I'm front running capitulation with UVXY calls to swing if necessary. Oh, nice. Oh, volatility, yeah. Chilling. Yeah, this thing is showing that overall weakness. Yeah, dude, if I would have been short this asset on shares,
Yeah, I'm not into shares on that. It's because I'm in Tesla and I'm in heavy in Tesla. So
yeah, on the downside
I
thesis.
could, yeah. Nvidia right now I can't grab the amount of shares I want.
I have conviction in the play, dude, for Tesla. I do. And it's already showing some weakness. So I really, really think something big is about to happen on that one. It's about to rain on them. It's a cheap hedge. Yeah, the UVXY calls would be like what, $20, if that. Let's see. Javi, unless you know exactly what you're doing, you shouldn't be actually anyone really. You shouldn't be exposed to the markets during lunch. We're 4 minutes into lunch right now. This 45 minutes to an hour is it's a huge shift that the algorithms go through. So what was going up usually by the end of lunch will go down, and that's, I'm talking broader market, like larger caps, mega caps.
If you're gonna play puts, I'd play them on Nvidia, actually.
Yeah, I think Nvidia has the cleanest slide.
Grab like the 490s; they're not that bad.
No, not bad at all. The 490 is like $66. You're looking at yeah.
It's got pretty good. It's got 490s. Where I'd go, but not right now. I wait. Not financial advice.
No financial advice.
No pinche financial advice.
You're gonna get rained on. Katie Cat, I think the waiting game here is gonna be the way to go. And I mean,
Katie knows how to trade.
Yeah. We have you already see this. Look, you have the hourly candle here breaking beneath the prior bar low. You're looking at a shooting star, 5 minute time frame starting to cross beneath and validating critical moving averages. Like this is a clear downside play. It's just the intelligent thing to do would be the conservative thing to, it's, we know that the algos switch, yes, but that doesn't mean that it's always going to happen, because this thing could just, go up its dollar that we still are owed here, and then capitulate. Like anything is literally possible. But this is this is sort of textbook, you know.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
right now, again, the algos got turned on, so it's gonna slow down.
Yeah, the contraction. Ian saying me too. It builds my tolerance for no FOMOing. What's the lunchtime conversation gonna be? Yeah, that's right.
Let's talk about Navy chicks on carriers.
Navy chicks. Oh, dude. Oh,
Katie said that if I was in the Navy and I was an officer, I would have been court-martialed already.
You would have been court-martialed.
You know, I got offered a position on a sub, Katie.
Me?
Huh? Me?
I got presented an opportunity to be the submarines analyst.
Yep.
You know I'm in the money. No, not really. What?
Oh, it wasn't that type of crew. That crew does have females.
To go and look at really big fishes underwater.
Yeah.
Dude, that's look, Ponzi's
You might
laughing.
be transporting. You may be transporting something, but they'll be chicks.
Ponzi's laughing because he said earlier, if I had a submarine in Mexico, I know what I'd be using it for. Dude. Oh my, taco sales. That's right. That's what I said, Katie Cat. I literally said that I would sell my tacos at my sub. Who's not gonna want to go to a submarine to buy my tacos? You know, we'll sell the fish tacos and the asada tacos.
Oh, fish tacos from a submarine.
Damn, bro. Woo. Don't let it start a business right now, man. Oh, my goodness. Arca Bulls Cow Tacos. Oh, my God, Katie Cat, that's right. Okay, guys, listen to that. Katie Cat just said, I think it would sound wrong if I said selling tacos from a sub. It's definitely not corn wrapped, you know? Hey, Cryptic.
Oh.
So, I may or may not have gone in NVIDIA. And I may or may not be up 60%.
You bastard.
Bro, I went in with such a tiny position, dude. It sucks that I'm even looking at it. I'm like, damn, man, that could be hundreds and hundreds of dollars and not just $25. Oh, dude.
It's a gamble, dude. You shouldn't be doing it right now.
Dude, I totally gambled $40. How do I sync up my RSI? You showed me, but I forgot where to do it. What do you mean? Sync? The RSI is an indicator that you just pull up. Here, look, dude, look.
Sync RSI? What the hell?
Yeah. Yeah. Let me know what you mean, brother. Ponzi's up 20% on the UVXYs.
Dude, you're teaching bad habits to these people, dude.
See, Ponzi?
Because they're going to get smoked.
Actually, he took the position before I did, so he was a bad influence on me.
like, it might have worked 60%, but it's usually negative 60.
That's usually negative 60. You know, so no, bro, it's okay because all I had to do was move forward in time and then look at what was going to happen from 30 minutes from where we were sitting prior to this. And then I saw that I told you that I was short the asset or the long puts, you know, and I told you that I was up 60%. So I came back here in time and I was like, all right, I'm going to go in now. So I'm good. Cryptic Trader is the voice of reason until he's his own enemy and gambles his own. And then tells you later that he messed up. I'll totally be doing that all damn day, bro. I'll screw myself so bad sometimes when out of boredom. I'm like, wow, this loss was not supposed to be this big. Trading is the funniest thing in the
man.
world, dude. It's so terrible.
Well, whenever I get greedy, I lose.
Yeah. I you know what? Whenever I get greedy, I don't take profit in the right place. It'll reverse. Dude. DJ, everything is crashing. This is totally that algo switch, bro. We're switching them on. We're switching the bear algo. We're switching the bargos. It's just gonna literally. I feel like it's gonna just capitulate from here, man. There's a lot of pressure to the downside, dude. And I feel like Nvidia was the cleanest setup out of all of them. Oh goodness, Lord. Lord. Look at Meta. It's showing that downside.
Well, I'm massive in Tesla. I'm up huge in Tesla.
See, guys,
Huge.
you can see that we're all betting against Tesla and Nvidia right now. We're gonna short the crap out of these mega caps, and it's gonna feel my wrath. All $40 entry. Feel my wrath. They're Joe H. I'm burning Nvidia alive. No one is gonna stop me. The downside of the SPY calls are struggling, dude. 93. That is literally because we're in the deepest amount of contraction. Like, I'm supposed to be up right now. Like, I'm supposed to be up 190%, but I'm only up 30 now. And it barely pulled back. See what I mean? Unexpected times here. Unexpected and unacceptable times here. Oh, you have a paper short and then Nvidia and Tesla on your sim for Dash Trader? How much is your exposure? Please don't tell me 200,000 of the available sim trade. She just went full port short.
Katie, what the hell are you doing?
You're not supposed to gamble like Cryptic.
Oh my god.
Oh, she opened before lunch. So she's mad.
Oh, dude. Oh no.
She's
Never mind.
mad at the money. she actually, outperformed Buddy by a long shot and shorting. Oh, dude. Katie, you're a baller. Hey, at least we're all here betting against the market in secret during lunchtime. No one knows. Shh.
Nobody knows about the sub either.
Nobody knows about the tacos in the sub, or the sub in the tacos. 93. Are we expecting a recovery? There's
meat.
Yeah. There's always a potential for that, dude. But I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm pretty bearish the markets for a short term before we find just a higher low. That's what I think could happen. Well, it's taking a breather. We'll find a higher low somewhere and then bounce to the upside and continue. Because overall I see pressure like for a deeper correction. I don't think we're there yet. I think maybe February, maybe in the March or something for a really like a significant pullback the broader markets. All right, man, I'm getting tired of this freaking play.
Why'd you enter during lunch?
Yeah, man. Stupid.
Mental.
I'm going to just pull out my 40% gains here.
At this point, you should go sell fish tacos.
This is why Arca needs to be Arca Taquero. Arca Taquero.
Arca Taquero?
Arca Taquero. Joe H saying Discord no longer free. Unjoining.
Tacos de Arca?
Joe H.
That sounds nasty, dude.
Ew. Yeah, that sounds...
Tacos de Arca.
That sounds flabby.
Yeah.
Joe H, you're actually one of my guests, buddy. Do not open there, bro. Because I know that you were running right now to sub to my Discord. I know you were about to be like, I'm going to help this guy because I love him. But I'm telling you not to do it.
I'm still going to time him out.
But I'm telling you not to do it because you're my guest. I have half the analysts still not able to enter either. They're like outside posting on the free chat. Alpha Trader got stuck in the outside, man. He got stuck in the outside looking in on Christmas to his wife with a new husband holding his daughter.
Did you see that cringe? Did you see that cringe New Year's video of Josh Stein and his wife?
Dude, he means so well. Poor guy, bro.
Dude, Josh Stein's one ugly mofo.
Dude, you're such an asshole.
He's like,
Josh is my bro, man.
Champagne.
You're about to make me cry.
His wife is like, what the hell am I doing with this fool?
Dude, Christina is the gnarliest child development psychiatrist. She will psychiatry you.
Yeah. She needs to psychiatry Josh Stein's face, dude.
Dude, she's actually one of the master students, like with Josh in the same account. So they're gonna finally get a different Discord account. But she's a real math whiz. So I think we're gonna be able to use her and Katie Cat and Wall Street Ponzi.
I'm cool with Josh as long as he doesn't turn on his camera.
So Joe H, $13.49 a month. That's Apple dicking you. Okay, so go to Samsung and they'll sell it to you for $9.99. I'm not even joking.
Joe H is on this freaking yacht complaining about $13.
Dude, $13.49.
Torpedo you,
bro. I will torpedo you, dude. So $13.49 and the $13.49 averaged into the month. You are talking shit to me for charging you 66 cents a day. But Joe H, you are my guest. Don't run over there and rush and pay me, brother. Don't do it because I got you. My own brother was like, hey, man, you got to get me into the Discord already. And I'm like, oh, dude, I'm trying to figure it out. This is such a huge merger, a huge partnership change, a huge, Arca Bulls just literally reversed split a little bit just so it can be listed to the NASDAQ. Yeah, look. Ponzi's saying that's funny, but they are awesome. I don't think torpedoing you means what you think it does. Holy crap. I didn't really think of that. Well, Ponzi, not only... My battle just showed up to the freaking pictures. Dude, you have no idea how much I love Josh, dude. He's my boy, dude. That guy is family to me. That guy will live forever in my presence. No. Is that really who you think? I mean, there is a striking similarity there. My battle, dude. I'm surprised he's not in here. Joe H just said that he pressed the F3 button on his keyboard, creating synthetic shares to short on Arca Bulls. We're about to call you out, dude.
Dude, Joe H would short his mom if he could.
Joe H, don't short the family either, brother. Shorting your family is not a good thing.
Yeah, Chad, Josh and Christina are nice, but Josh is still one ugly mofo.
He's like, and I love Josh, and he's the nicest guy.
Yeah, he's cool. I like him. But man,
he goes, that does not mean. That's why I was telling Chad. That's why I was telling Cryptic. I'm like, bro, you are an asshole. Dude, Josh is my boy, dude. Josh is my boy. I told him That if ever he passes away, then I'm gonna take care of his kids. Hopefully by then, Arcables will be a gnarly hedge fund, and then we can support his entire family. And I swear on everything I would, and I will, because yes. Yeah, dude, look I'm so happy I took away the 38% gainer, the 40%, because this consolidation here would have screwed my options. I would have my options would have been dead in the water at this point here. Dead in the water, bro. Oh, man. Calmado, chiquito. Hold on. Oh, crap. I didn't want to have the mic on when I just, snotted into my toilet paper. Oh, man. Jonna, what is good? Good to see you here. Say again?
Just don't leave it on when you're capitulating.
Dude. I've had several conversations with my mic unmuted so many times. I think, I don't know. I don't think, let me see. There's been like 11 people who heard my conversations because I just like forget to stop streaming and I just leave my damn mic on. Dude.
You're like, vente mamacita, sit on Arca's lap.
No. What I mean is like phone conversations, like just by.
I know.
Oh, dude, and capitulation time is definitely not at this time because she got to go to work. Jonna is the one who brought me to you in your youth. No way. Jonna's daughter goes to the USC. She's a Trojan, and I support that.
Josh's dad should have worn a Trojan.
Nice connection.
Yes.
What are your thoughts on Zim? What the hell is Zim? Galvin, I am gonna kick your butt if that is a microcap. Let me see this. Do you mean ZOM or ZIM? Because I know there was wow. Dude. What the hell is this and why is it up so much? Let's see. Okay. So there's a really critical area of resistance of which I think price action is going to be over in. Look at the payout ratio on their dividends though, okay, right? I've never seen that in my life. Minus 155.30%. Let's long this. That is the weirdest freaking this is the weird, bro. I've never seen the income statement and dividends go into negative. I've never seen that in my life. How the hell did that do that and is running this much? So this is your area of resistance, okay, bro? You got to be super careful because of this daily gap here. That is highly likely not going to pass that, okay? So just know that is if there is still some upside to go, I think it would only be fair to face the topside resistance 1547 to 1609. Get the hell out from there. Took 5% gain on the Nvidia. I'm up 440 today. Nice. Now, if only I could do that every day. I'm calling it a day. Have a great day, all. Kiss the babe for me. I definitely will, Danielle. You kill it.
Later, Danielle.
Later, Gator.
Later, Daniela.
So Katie Cat just said, don't have to do that every day. Just 60% of the time. Like, all you have to do is do this 60% of all the time.
That's it.
So in the shorter time frame, what in God's name is this telling us? Let's see. Daily time frame is starting to curl. Yeah, dude. This is. Oh yeah, this is setting up. This is about to set up. It's a high potential, but this is about to set up a drive of hidden bearish divergence on a daily. Okay, so that's going to be this right here. I think there could be a pivot somewhere up here, 81% or something. And then this will be the difference of this higher high in momentum and the difference of this lower high in price. And that has shown serious pullbacks before from this point.
Tesla keeps dropping even during lunch.
Damn. Oh, dude, the buy daily is oh, look at that, dude. The buy daily crossing below the prior iteration low, the prior bar low.
It's gonna hit the low of day before lunch ends at this rate.
We gotta get short this now.
It looks like the algo's not on this one, or they just flipped it.
And it's creating a panic.
It should be consolidating, but it's not.
Yeah, it should be consolidating. It should be contracting, but it is actually finding the support bottom of the LRC right now on the hourly. Dude, yeah, Tesla is man. I can't wait to see what it did after this buy daily close. I really want to know. Really want to know what the hell that looks like. Let me see 2-day. I want to know what volatility did because we're already like nosediving here. And I think that stochastic momentum could literally do this here all the way down there for this regression, for this triangle here.
Shoot. I feel like adding more.
Well, this is the place to kind of do it, sort of, before it breaks the damn prior bar low on a buy daily, dude. That's a big deal. Let me see. Wait, well, let's see the immediate short term, like how concentrated we can do this.
Because I'm with shares, I could add whenever I want, but
yeah,
I kind of feel like adding.
Is there already kind of dead cat bouncing on the 5 minutes? Damn it.
Yeah, I'm waiting for that dead cat to finish to add.
If it does, then your resistance, then your entry would be 236.63. Around there-ish. If it does continue the downside, right? So it'll bounce from 236.11. Get a reversal here or a pullback to validate resistances at 236.11-ish, 64-ish. 5-minute time frame potential bearish engulfing. Yeah, holy crap. Dude, something's going down here. Literally.
Yeah. It is looking good, man.
This is looking stupid good.
Nvidia coming down too.
Is it? Nice. Wow.
A little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. It still has to break this range.
Well, Nvidia is caught in the lunch algo, but Tesla isn't.
Tesla is not, right? Yeah, I think the conservative trader would be better here. So here's the dead cat bounce that we're looking for. Where was the support I said? Fuck, I forgot. 236.11, I think it was. There we go. So this, so we would get the bounce soon here and then come up to validate these resistance here. And it still hasn't finished a move though, because the, hold on, I'm going to give you a more accurate target. I think it would be this. Yeah, damn. I think the break, so close to 236. It was a 235.86. So that could be the overall play. So if you're looking at a pivot, It may be 235.85 to around 235.70. Bounce to the upside. Validate the 236.57 short. But it's really interesting. All this volatility right now in the 5-minute with Tesla. This is crazy, dude. That is absolutely out of control. It really wants to fall.
Yeah, it wants to fall bad.
And dude, look at the SPY. It's giving it every reason to do it. Holy crap. The SPY is dropping.
It wants to drop like a girl's chonies.
Like the tantarans.
And tantarans in the sub.
Oh, right. Galvin, what was the target that I gave you for LQR? I forgot the upside. I know that I have several targets for LQR to the upside. That was a video I put out around 4 or 5 days ago. But I'm not going to play that one, though, dude. I can't play that one. It's too small and too risky. So instead, I'm going to play a $400 asset.
$400 assets aren't. They're not scary.
No.
What do you want? Do you want the $100 hooker or the $5,000 hooker? Come on.
Whoa. Do you want the NASDAQs or the OTCs? You know what I'm saying? Damn.
You never know. We're going to have an Arca meetup in Vegas one day. So
let's go. Katie Cat, you down? Let's go to Vegas.
Katie Cat's down. She already told me.
Hell yeah.
Oh, my Katie Cat is going to be like, she's going to go too wild.
I'm going to find out who's working what table for the craps table, and I'm going to back test that person, the dealer. I'm gonna study their entire history in their dealings.
We're gonna want to short.
Yeah,
he's gonna want to short Vegas.
I'm gonna want to short Vegas. I'm gonna open long puts on Vegas.
The submarine can't get to Vegas, dude.
Bro,
I could take it to Long Beach.
What if we've?
I could go to Miami.
Hey, we could actually make. Wait. What is that body of water that is connected to that other place that's similar to Vegas in Nevada? What is it called? Where the casinos are, it's like slightly not. It's slightly. Reno? No, not Lake Mead. It's the other like it's casino area.
Reno, right?
No, not Reno, bro. It's
Reno's not blocked. No, I don't think it's New Jersey.
Atlantic City.
So if they still have the Trump. If they still have the Trump there, we'd go.
No, man. What was that? Guys, come on. Tell me. I know you know this. It's a place in Nevada that there's also like casinos, but it's like a little ghetto-ish. Oh, dude. Yeah, this thing wants to complete that downside, bro. Lordy Lord. Oh, Lordy Lordy.
You praise the Lord.
Dude, why?
The Lord is good.
The Lord is good. Dude, but what is it though, for real?
Come on, Tesla. Come on down. Come on down. You know you want it.
Whoa. Damn. What just, you heard that?
What, did you fart or what?
I had to look. No, the thing was like, I had to look at 9 different screens.
Look at that. Kitty said X rating in Vegas where she goes. Damn.
She's actually talking about rating Vegas in Twitter, bro.
Katie is wild, man.
We need to party it up.
Katie's crazy.
I will, like, I am the lightest weight you will ever meet. I like do not. Laughlin. Yeah, Laughlin. That's where it is. No, not Henderson, double X. It was Laughlin. You guys familiar with that? So that body of water, Laughlin, it's like a big freaking body of water there. It borders Arizona. Yeah. So where does that body of water go to? Does that connect What is it? Does it ever connect to the ocean? Does it go? Never? No? It's so damn big that I feel like it would be, right? Like when you're in Laughlin, that thing is huge. Oh, dude.
Katie told me she doesn't drink either.
Wall Street Ponzi, the last time I drank, bro, I promise you, it was probably... Oh, damn. Never mind. It was actually like 4 months ago. It's like 2 or 3 months ago. But before that, it was probably a year. I will probably get drunk off of a freaking virgin champagne, man. You're doing dry.
Is Lauren going?
What is that? What is a dry January? Like, you mean no drinking? I just don't like
drinking, no sex.
Oh, what? Really? Both of them? No drinking and no sex? Fuma? Fonzie, what is a fuma?
Katie's like, just no drinking.
She eye rolled.
Yeah.
Because freaking cryptic.
Told you.
I was like, what? Like, there's always those weird things. I'm gullible with that stuff because, like, there's like a no shave November. There's all kinds of all kinds of weird things like that. And I can't even tell you how many. Sober October. Oh, that's crazy that there are so many more. That there are so many more of. Oh, goodness, that's crazy that there are so many more for the drinking that there are for anything else. Javi said Spy is trying to get happy. Dude, yeah, sure, there is an upside here. So rejection could happen at 468 to 468.25. Oh, lordy lord. Man, this is the craziest, slowest freaking lunch ever, man. This is real contraction here.
Come on, get your support. I'll add more.
Yeah. The dead cat did not work.
Nope. All good.
Wait, fire it up, roll it up tight, spark it up. It's you mean fumar? You were speaking in Spanish. You gotta add the R to that. Fumar. LQR trying to break $5 says double X. Let me see it. Ticker symbol liquor. Yeah, there's a huge amount of resistance right at 514. Also, did this thing just capituliles?
Looks like they turned off the lunchtime algos early because they wanted to crap out so quick.
What? Yeah, they did it 5 minutes earlier than what we anticipated. We said 9:45.
Yeah. It looks like.
Yeah, the R for fumar. Or this is the prep for the actual downside. They went up to gather some bears.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, right.
What happens?
You get the quick little shakeout.
I'm looking for right now.
That was another 5-minute closure beneath the SMA 10. It's creating its play.
To add.
You're waiting to add?
I'm waiting to add more. Because I think this is just a shakeout.
Yeah.
Shake it out. Shake it out.
So, oh yeah, that's right, Lou Bones. That's what I was trying to remember, guys. Yeah, Lou Bones just said it. It's the Colorado River that flows to the Gulf of Cali. That's what I remember somebody telling me, some historian or something. I forgot what it was. And in that river, Lou Bones, do you know about the gold on that river somewhere? I forgot where. That there was also, they were, I don't know, they were trying to mine it back in the day, a long time ago. Tesla recalls 1.6 million cars in China. What?
Huh?
Somebody just said that in the YouTube chat. Is that, dude? Tesla is going to,
I'm going to charge all my cars.
dude. If that, damn. So they recalled the cars in China. I wonder for what. Do you think it's like for the battery? Is this it right here? 26 minutes ago, top stories. Non-farm payrolls rise. Damn it. The index falls. CVS names finance. Okay. Tesla to recall vehicles in China. China State Administration for Market Regulation said Tesla will recall about 1.6 million vehicles, including its Model S, X, 3, and Y in the country due to the crash risks in the self-driving system. Oh, the self-driving system. Okay. That's crazy. Are they? I wonder if they're just going to disable that, or disable the feature, or temporarily do whatever. 5-minute time frame for Tesla finding resistance at the EMA 20 to the SMA 50 and EMA 50 as well. The info came out, Katie Cat. The info came out 26 minutes ago. So, yeah, I guess there could be a reaction in 15 minutes.
This was the liquidity grab for that.
There was the what, bro?
Liquidity grab for that.
Yeah,
most likely.
the little shakeout, run up to the top, bring
They
it down
they turned off the algo to let it go up to grab.
to grab the bears.
Uh-huh.
It's
Now
because
go down.
look at this. It's still trying to validate that resistance of the SMA 10 on the 5-minute. I will say that the EMA 50 and SMA 50 are located at about 488. 488.98 to about 488.82. So that's also a potential. Price action can go and resist at the prior bar high. That would just create that. I mean, that would create a tweezer top. But there's something interesting happening here because also the 5-minute is trying to get a little bit of a bullish engulfing there. Lou Bones, you didn't. Oh no, you don't know anything about that gold stuff, buddy. I thought there was like something like that. Oh, they're just gonna make the autopilot fixes. They're not gonna disable it or nothing. So okay. It really is just like the recalls always work. It's just a recall to fix something. So how would say, bro?
It doesn't matter. Any negative news will drop it.
Yeah,
Not permanently, but
how the sentiment just perceives it. Doom. Nvidia getting a little bit of that run there. I think, I'm not sure if it's the resistance at 491.65 or if it wants to take all the way to the SMA 20. That's a little far though. Damn, look at that hook. The J hook.
the J hook, the S hook.
Yeah, I can see the volatility starting to change right now. So, and then again, I don't know if this is just that quick little grab, because look at the SPY, right? The SPY is kind of influencing a little bit of an upside here on all the other assets too. So if that's the case, then the SPY technically still has to the SMA 20 to find resistance, but the overall range, the bears invalidation zone would be around 468.02 So there could be resistance at that point as well. D's nuts. What's up, buddy? How are you? There's the SPY breaking the prior bar high on the 5 minutes. So that could lead to invalidation here. 468, 467.96, right around there. I mean, do you know what I mean? Let's take a look. Hold on just a sec. Okay. The upside is getting a little limited here on the SPY. Damn, Meta. Damn it. That could show some type of support here. That's a conversion of the SMA 20 into support on Meta. SPY just got that near invalidation resistance. And then let's see. And Tesla is also testing its EMA 50, the SMA 20, and if it so wants to, it could still technically go up to the SMA 50 at 237.86. So this is I think this may be it, but then there's also a chance that Meta can just take everything to the moon too. But the resistance feels like this could be topped out. Seeing that we're already at 11 minutes from the lunch end. Oh, damn it, dude! I hate it when I want to go scratch my eyes or rub my eyes, and then I rub my freaking glasses. Stupid blotch of there's a stain now. Hold on, man. I don't even know where my freaking microfiber towel is. Oh God. Hold on, bro. Let me go get my microfiber towel. I cannot work like this, and I just took my glasses off, and I'm all like, what? I can't see anything. Pinche viejo. Just gonna say goodbye to the little lady real quick.
Let's get it on. Jump on. Let's get it on. We're all sensitive people. So much to give. Understand your life. Since we got
Bitulation.
Oh yeah. Well, we're at about under 3 minutes to get the broader market markets to choose something here. But weird little flip here. I'm not sure if it's actually just Tesla that's doing that little move. This break above the SMA 50 could be the SMA 20 resistance, and also that would be closing the candle beneath the hourly regression. So closing this hourly regression here would it would potentially show a pretty bearish outlook in price. Although it is kind of a nice hammer candle here at the bottom of at the bottom of the trend, so that usually suggests reversal. But we shall see. We're approaching the end of lunch. Under 2 minutes now. Under 3 minutes. We're at 2 minutes 45 seconds and counting. Let's see. I'm looking at the 5-minute SPY, bro. Are we second shoulder possibly? It definitely looks like it, right? I mean Tesla kind of running alongside it. So, oh, you're looking at an inverse. Like a very immediate short term. Sure. I mean, the take profit for this formation would be right up here. If it did realize 468.20, yeah. If it did realize. US1, can you hear me now? Nice.
Still waiting to see what's going to happen here.
Yeah, we still have no clear direction. Less than
I still think we're going to drop, but I'm not 100%. I took profit on Tesla already, so I'm ready to new trade.
Okay, cool. I took my Tesla profits out already too. I'm waiting to see where I can open risk.
Yeah, same.
And then if that is a potential setup, then it could be presented after a short-term upside. So closing this hourly candle in 1 minute and 5 seconds, finding that resistance from it would be finding the resistance right at the SMA 20 at the LRC top, potentially around 238.56, and that could be the play there.
There's a play coming. It's not gonna. We just gotta see.
Yeah, we just gotta react to it.
It's coming. It's coming like Arca just did.
She. And
yeah, submarine.
It just went tacos on submarines.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go. All right, so 18 seconds left to close the hourly. A little bit of weakness here on the SPY. Can't really tell. Meta feels like it's trying to build some type of bull flag in the hourly. And okay, so yeah, Tesla definitely closed beneath the LRC bottom. So this is what I'm thinking here. There could be a resistance validation, maybe, right, at around the SMA 5 or the SMA 20. What it's approaching here is the SMA 10 for a potential bounce. And it's also showing that there is some bounces happening from moving averages here in the 5-minute too. But overall, you know what? I'm not even noticing that I have my 200 enabled. I hated that it's not there. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so Tesla is this is gonna be the first candle here, closure, a clean close beneath the EMA 200, and that could be the start of the bear play, right? So heads up, Heads up on your positions. There could be some. Oh, dude.
Come
man.
on. Come on. You can do it.
Yeah, so that closure is in. Lunchtime is over. The SPY is starting to show some weakness here. It's also giving a little bit of weakness to Meta. And Tesla is starting to show its downside now. Nvidia also starting its decline. Let's see. Okay.
Yeah, we're coming.
Yeah, I can't tell if it's gonna want to sell off, but it does feel like it's
It wants.
right.
Yeah.
If it feels like it's creeping towards it, I hope I'm not just over being a bear, a perma bear, or nothing like that. I'm
No,
really
no.
yeah.
I'm looking at everything. Meta's coming down. Everything I see in my is coming down. Lower lows. It looks bearish.
Yeah. Let's see how Tesla's behaving. All right, yeah, Tesla's breaking down beneath the SMA 10 on the hourly. Shoot.
Yep, there it goes.
Nice.
Come on. SPY broke its channel. It's gonna come up to validate, but it broke its channel.
Oh. I'm a little hyper focused here. Yeah, the SPY completely breaking the range low.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't focus on one thing. I look at like 12.
Same here, man. I need to have
time.
I need to have the pressure all around in order for me to validate too.
And-
I completely agree.
And I think we do have it. Microsoft is really going down.
Oh, cool. Good. That's going to apply a lot of pressure. Yeah, SPY feeling like it wants to come back to the range breakdown. So 467.14 could be its new resistance. It could be. Let's see this.
Microsoft is really
Is really going.
bearish.
Let me see.
Yeah.
MSFT.
It's coming down.
Ooh.
It's got too big. Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's confirmation enough.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go. 11 seconds left to close this 5-minute candle. This is going to be the first one to close with a clean close beneath the EMA 200 on Tesla. Tesla may start to show some pressure here. There we go. Nvidia trying to break down beneath the 5-minute time frame SMA 10. Yeah, a quick little resistance SMA 20, right? Because it just closed beneath the SMA 20, so coming back to validate the resistance is smart. Yep. Okay, a little bit of resistance grabs there. See if this can be a potential short entry. The SPY coming back up to the range low, so that was 467.14 or 467.16. That may be short entry as well. And then Tesla 2 coming back up to its 5-minute time frame, SMA 20. That could be short entry. Everything is acting similarly. And Microsoft, I don't even know what to make of that little green candle there. But it topped out. It topped out to a similar to this here. And now it's showing that downside
I'm
pressure.
going down and I don't give a shit. Yeah.
Ooh. Damn, Microsoft really wants that downside.
Mm-hmm. Just like Nvidia led us up, Microsoft could lead us down. Maybe they caught Bill Gates in a pedo sting.
Jay Abrams, what's up, buddy? Good to see you. Did I help me, Arca? You're my only hope. Did you give up on finger analysis? No, it's not that I gave up on it, brother. It's just that I warned over the last 6 to 7 months, maybe, that I would be converting. I would be or kind of switching out of small caps and trading actual plays, like real day trading, right? Because I've been doing the small caps as a favor to retail for the last 2 years, and I feel that it's time for me to focus on my trading career, man. I really need to trade, and that's what I've been introducing here. I've been introducing the new private Discord, trying to gather some of the audience from YouTube to join me so we can trade daily, and I can expose you to more safer plays. And but that's what I've been doing, brother. And it's honestly, dude, like right now, like I'm as we speak, I'm getting hate messages on Twitter. You know, like it's just I don't want to, like, that's not what trading's about. You know what I mean? It's not, that's such a
thing, man.
Yeah, it's such an amateur thing to fight somebody about a ticker. Like it's like, what are you doing in the markets anyway? You know, that's not what trading's about, brother. Trading is about a craft, and trading is about it's something that some people can look at as an art form. You know, it is a everlasting career that has to be respected. And half the time I just get grief from all these monkeys in on X. You know, not even cool. It's not cool. I don't want to be a part of that anymore, dude. And I wanna just make sure that I can focus on my career, focus on the actual retail side that wants to truly learn. And I will expose that retail to a side of the trade that they had never known existed. And it's actually the more common side, you know, because many professional traders that are not only short biased stay away from small cap trades because they're just you know, they're dangerous, high risk. Jay, so I never got your email, brother. I have to say I'm gonna type in the email one more time here, but I've been looking out for it because you told me that you were going to send me an email, so I want to make sure that you do send it to the correct one. Johnny, what's up, buddy? In late today. Hope everyone is doing well. My brother, very nice to see you, man, and thank you so much for sharing your thoughts. We're chilling, just waiting to see what kind of reaction we're going to get from the markets. There may be some weakness that we are not currently seeing. Oh, dude, look at Tesla. That is weird. Hold on. I can't. Did I just see that right? Yeah. I can't ignore that. Holy crap. Let me get rid of the moving averages. Oh, dude. Look at it. Could it be? Am I tripping or no?
It's a 5 though.
dude. It's that's kind
Let's
of
see.
annoying.
Let's
It's a 5
look
minute.
up our
Yeah,
market.
it's such a terrible batting average. Jay Abrams, so can you please send me an email because I still haven't seen the email, brother. I have I can I'm going to check just now again, but I want you to send me an email to ArcMastersCourse at Gmail as the last 16-week mentorship that I'm teaching is about to start. Is going to start into next week. So, where the heck is my damn okay, here it is.
It's looking uglier now.
Yeah, it's starting to get a little ugly here. Let me look at the Arc Masters course. Let's see. Yeah, brother, I'm definitely not seeing your email. If you've sent an email, and I'm also checking in my spam folder just in case you're sending it from like a business email, but I'm definitely not seeing it, brother. Can you, Jay Abrams, can you please try to send it one more time to the, I still have around 8 seats to go. Over the last few days, a lot of the straggler students actually started enrolling. So I just got around 3 or 4 confirmations right now. That probably puts us at around actually 7 seats left. So are you typing it as ArcMastersCourse at Gmail? Brother, I just received like 3 emails over the last 5 minutes. Or do this one, Jay. I'll give you an easier one. Send it to arcabulls at Gmail. Right? And that one can be a little easier. So arcabulls at Gmail. And then I'll transfer our conversation to the ArcMastersCourse email. or type in your email here and then I'll send you an email. That's probably the easiest thing to do for this. I do not mind sending you an email, my brother. Microsoft completely capitulating, breaking its prior bar lows, ignoring a tweezer bottom on a 5-minute. This is applying so much pressure.
That's
Dude.
Microsoft is actually setting up too.
Check out NVIDIA. Check out NVIDIA. It's starting to break. Holy crap. So yeah, Jay, I'm sorry about that, brother. So type in your email. I'll send you an email, my brother. I'll send you one so that it can be just so that I'll have it in my control and it'll be a little easier that way. So I don't have to bother you with trying to send another 4th or 5th email, right? So type in your email whenever you can, and I'll send you over the information right away. Yeah, I was observing that one too, Casey. And I will say that the time frame is just the time frame is the thing that has the worst strike rate, right? So the batting average here for the Head and Shoulders on a 5-minute, that's just a very low batting average. Validation of resistance coming up for NVIDIA at 491.39 if it does get up there, right? So, and now let's see Tesla. Guys, I think the markets are hanging on by a thread right now. I don't know that I see any type of Jay, you sent your email? I thought you were going to type it in here. Where did you send it, brother? Is it on Discord or let me see. Let me know, brother. I want to know where you. Oh, look at this. The spy 5 minute breaking down the range low and prior wicks low. So that's a man. The downside here is it feels imminent. Let's see. So you typed in your email here in the chat? I don't see your email here in the chat, brother. Or did you send it to an email address? Let me see. Spam stocks with. Let me go back to the chat here. Jay, I don't see your email here in the chat, brother. I don't think anyone here can see your email in the chat either. Did you send it in? Oh, did you send it maybe in Twitter? Is that where you sent it? Yeah, not sure where you are, brother. Please let me know where I can look. Let me go back to the YouTube stream. Where is it? Oh my goodness. There we are. Ish. Is there? I'm gonna show you what I'm. Hold on. Check this out, okay? This is the chat right over here. This is you talking, and you're saying just typed it in. This is 93. This is you again. Just wrote the email twice here. You see what I mean? Or do this. Look, I'm gonna put a format, because what if YouTube is trying to protect me from your links? Not that you personally, just the links from in general. So try to type it in like this, and then just write it, instead of writing the at, just write literally AT, and then like this. Look. You see how I just typed it in? So it appears more as just a general message and not as an address. Yeah, so again, brother, let me show you my YouTube screen, right? So this is my YouTube screen here. And if you're, I can also zoom in. For you. Look at this here. This is right now what you're typing in, right? But if you can see here, I don't actually see your email address. So that's why I'm telling you to try to type it in this format here, like the one that I'm highlighting. Arca Bulls. Don't put the at symbol. Just put AT as an at. And then just put Gmail, and don't put .com because you don't want to make it a link. So maybe I don't know if it's YouTube trying to protect me from links or whatever. So that's why I'm saying to write it maybe in that format. And probably things could get a little bit easier that way. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Yeah. See how Cryptic just wrote it. Oh my goodness. So try, Jay, try that, please. Try that, please, my brother. Let's go back to 100 zoom. Okay. If you're still there, Jay, let's see. Like right above you. You see that? You see what Cryptic Trader texted there? So you put Lauren
I'll have
has
to read it.
yeah, just read it. Read it. See how it's he's not putting the at symbol, he's putting AT. I think YouTube is trying to protect me from potential harmful links. So it may be
Yeah,
reading
put something factual like that, and then just put at.
Yeah, so put your email and then just instead of the at symbol, write it as AT so that, or just don't do it. Just don't even put an at or what. Just put in the name and then Gmail or whatever, you know. So if your email is J Abrams, so then put J Abrams space Gmail, you know, just to, or Yahoo or whatever you have. I just want you to not write it in the format of an email, right? Because I'm telling you, I think YouTube is trying to protect me from potential harmful links. Market's definitely capitulating, but you know, it needs to cross over certain moving averages in order for it to do it. Nvidia starting that potential there. So Jay, please let me know, brother, if that's
Sorry. I want to move it. Thank you.
If that's something you can do, brother. Let me go back to the Discord chat. Here we go. Okay. Nvidia breaking down below the SMA 50. Let's see if it can maintain that. 1 minute and 19 left to close that 5-minute candle. Let me come back to the chat. Jay Abrams, I'm still waiting for you, buddy. I am pending. Oh, check it out. Meta could be the reason why it had a little bit of a run to the upside to validate the SMA 50 break. Oh man, get the validation already. The markets are taking forever to pitchy. SPY converting that supported. Oh my goodness. Does it want the SMA 20 then? This is so damn indecisive, man. Jay, no. I definitely don't see that, brother. I'm going to show you again my chat, right? So this is my screen here where I read the chat, and that's you saying, do you see that? But I don't see that. Okay, so I want you to stop typing it in like a link. Don't type it in like a link. Don't use the the symbol that I'm about to write in the chat, don't use that symbol. Don't use that symbol. I'm going to say this. Hold on. I just typed it in. Do not use the @ symbol. And don't use .com. Yes. Just write out your email name and then put it whatever. If it's J Abrams, then just put J Abrams Gmail. And then I'll know what to do. You know? I'll know what to do after that. I definitely don't need you to type it all out in case YouTube is trying to protect me from harmful links. D's not said, and do not use D's. R.W. Brown, are you talking about the spy? The spy. Ooh, that's the spy testing that at SMA 20. Now retesting 200 moving average on a 5-minute time. 200? Is that my 200? Yeah. Testing. I would look at it as a little tighter to the SMA 20, but yeah. R.W. Brown, you're looking at NAS futures. Here's the SMA 200. It just broke a little bit above it. My goodness. Let's see. Man, it's a 5-minute range. Take a look at your, but you got to also take a look at something like this. So look at your 4-hour. And then also look at your hourly time frame. So, yeah, I don't know if it's going to want the 30-minute close here for the hourly regression bottom. Because it did that already, right? We were waiting for the hourly close at lunch. And then it got it, and price action came all the way back down to fulfill the mid band. So now I don't know if it wants it again here to close and continue. Jay Abrams, how's it going over there, man? Typing in the email without the @ or the .com. Oof. Where is this resistance going to, my brother? I see it, but usually the candle's the one that reaches the upside. I'm sorry, usually the handle is the one that reaches the upside. This is it's like inverted. 468.59 is the next resistance you see. No, I think it needs another shoulder here. Careful, spy coming up to the SMA 50 at 468.51. It is already at my discretionary resistance, right? We've noticed here that there's a strong resistance right there at 468.33. The EMA. Is this another damn chart where I don't have it? Oh my goodness. Why do I have it off? Jay Abrams, my brother. How is it going over there typing in your email without the at or the .com? Okay, so let's pull here to NVIDIA, see what's going on. Really interesting positions here. Oh, okay. Let me see the hourly on. Okay, it looks like Microsoft is trying to get some validation of resistance here. I think I tried that. I asked earlier if he sent it to my Twitter. And then if he doesn't have a Twitter, then I just don't want to complicate anymore. I just really need him to just type in the email without at yahoo.com, you know? Oh, there's no delay in Discord? Yeah, so there's like a 7-second delay, I think, in YouTube. That's crazy that you guys are getting the stream way earlier than YouTube. Really cool. He wants to be a master's student, Cryptic, and he's like, I just need him to kindly type in his email without the at. You think so? Jay Abrams, where you at, buddy? Not forgetting about you, man. Definitely not forgetting about you. Voice and video? That is curious. Let me let's see. What if I did this? Does that look better? Does the stream look better on Discord? Oh yeah. I see. So it's man. So I'm currently boosting a monthly bill here on the Arca Bulls. DJ is one of the boosters here too, and I'm also boosting the university one too. I just changed it so to see if you can notice a difference. US one is saying that mine sounds great on the computer and on my phone. If you're out, okay, good. Man, is Microsoft going to get that validation? I really like Microsoft could be a good, you know, It could definitely pressure things to the downside. So does it look better on the 1440p? Or did it literally do like no change at all? No way, does it? Oh wow. That's awesome. That is good to know. I wonder, yeah. So the voice in Discord isn't that great, but you can definitely hear me loud and clear. Let me see. Yeah, it looks like input device. Yeah, let's see. Oh, I wonder. Check this out. Let's see. Hold on. And then automatic gain control. I noticed there's a bunch of things that I don't like here. All right. So how does it sound like? How does it sound like this? Tell me. This is good that you're. Yeah. So no, there's a bunch of things that I don't like because I actually am an audio engineer, and it had like noise suppression. I don't want any noise suppression. I'm running through a freaking DBX2 preamp. Like I don't want that, you know. I'm controlling I am controlling the ratio of limiting compression, expansion and also the frequency threshold of my own voice. So through a condenser mic going through a valve preamp into a Zentour audio interface, like I'm literally running class A preamp here, man. Like this is the highest of the highest quality. And it had settings on there that I really didn't like. Ian, can you still hear me though? I'm streaming right now at let's see, just in case, right? So right now I'm streaming at 1440 30 frames per second. Okay, some rejection at that SMA 50 on the SPY, like we were kind of mentioning. You're gonna DM them. Let's see. Jay Abrams, brother, I have not forgotten about you. I just haven't heard from you. Let me take a look at your. Oh damn, it's a video phase. Like I'm literally running Class A preamp here, man. Like this is the highest of the highest quality. Dude, and, that doesn't sound bad. And it had settings on phase. Like I am. Let me go back to that. Is this on your phone? Interesting. And it had. Let me. I don't think that I have any. I'm running on this on Windows, bro. So let me go back into the chat. And then also, is it iOS or yeah? Let me just look one more time. Let's see. Audio subsystem. Use your advanced technology to capture your screen. Use experimental. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there's no attenuation here for the kilobits per second for the kbps. There's no setting on that, but it's because Discord doesn't accept anything beyond 16-bit 44.1. So that's I'm set to that. If it accepted it, I can literally run this on 32-bit float 96K or 192K. Interesting. Yeah, oh yeah. Take a look, brother. Take a look when you can, please. I'm down to see what you have. But from the screen recording that I heard that you did, it sounded pretty damn clean. I could hear the little bit of grain though. For sure, because it's overall streaming. And then also I'm streaming twice here. So I'm streaming to Discord and streaming to YouTube. While I'm using a direct access broker. Damn. And TradingView's a heavy program too. Damn, the markets, man. DJ, sounds clean to you? Nice.
Yeah, nothing's looking good. If anything happens, I think it's going to be a last hour.
Yeah, I think it's going to be power hour.
Yeah. I don't see nothing. I took some shitty trades, but whatever.
You did? Ah, dude.
Well, nothing that lost, but just like...
Yeah, tiny little ones. Like nothing that really made a huge difference.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, God.
Probably not. Mayday. May.
Yeah, damn it. All right. Well, yeah, I think I was asking because I really don't I don't see the setup here just yet. I think there's a critical resistance to be found somewhere.
It's not. Yeah. It's actually channeling. I didn't expect it to channel.
Yeah, it's ranging.
I still think it's going to dump, but I still think it's going to dump. I think it's going to range to get people to sleep, and then it's going to dump.
I agree, because this is overall, dude, just a lower high.
Mm-hmm. But I think we should revisit this around 11:30.
I think so too. Kitty Cat saying, "I never sleep."
Kitty only runs and has sex
I only
and kills
awake.
people.
You kill people?
And that's all she does. Runs, has sex, and kills people.
Jeez. Oh, dude. She's never done a single one of those things. Never, ever.
Never. Kitty is a virgin that never runs and is never killed.
That was a terrible perspective.
In other words, she's Lauren.
So she corrected it. She said, I've done 2 of the 3.
2 of the 3. Oh, kinky.
Kitty Cat, you cray cray. I need another leg up from Spy. Then I'll trim maybe. Nice. Hell yeah, get them prints, brother.
That's what she said.
That's what she said.
Oh man, I don't like anything.
Dude, I don't either, man. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the stream here. I appreciate everybody
You're
for coming
losers.
on by. Man, it's just we're over here just not doing nothing.
It's wasting my time.
I literally could
Taking
be
stupid
asleep.
Trades. Me and Arca are analyzing this shit till 3 a.m. for you guys, and nothing happened.
Nothing happened. Oh well, I mean, to be fair, we do need the 2.
It's like Lauren at his wedding night.
So to be fair, we still need the bi-daily close, and that's in 2 hours and 12 minutes. And it's still below the SMA 20 on a bi-daily, so that's feeling like a pitchy. So yeah, happy Friday to everybody. Really appreciate everybody for coming on by. I wish you a great weekend. Any questions, team? Let me know. So
right.
please remember that I'm going to be moving on to Discord.
Later, schools.
Yeah, and remember Jay Abrams to send me an email to arcabulls@gmail.com.
.com.
Jay Abrams, I hope you're still there, man. Damn it. I tried, brother. I tried. I don't know what to tell you, man. I tried. Like, really hard. Like, super duper.
All right, I'm out.
Buzz,
Yeah.
man, I love you. All right, guys. I'm going to do the outro. Love you, team. Oh, yeah. Where's that freaking button? Here we go. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever, ever. For real, never. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well a very, very good rest of your day and a great weekend. I'll catch you at the bell Monday. Adios. Adios. Yeah, I get you, Chad. Yeah.